So hello students.
Hello students, all of you all welcome.
So first of all, we would like to welcome you all to this session. Right now we are on the second shift discussion of the JEE Mains. This is the first day and the date is 22nd of January. We really are very excited to show the paper solution. I hope you all were there in the first discussion in the session 1, and I just want to start with a beautiful quotation, sir. Success belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dream, and यही सपने हम आपके साकार करने आए हैं Infinity Learn by श्री चैतन्य के साथ. We are the team of Infinity Learn and Sri Chaitanya.
Sir, I will say from my side also one.
Yeah, please.
Success comes to those who dare and act. That is my belief.
Okay.
Okay. But both are in common is that whoever work hard, success is to them only. That's all.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you for your kind words.
And I think you have not introduced yourself.
Yeah. So my name is Akshay Arora, and I am a mathematics faculty. And sir,
Myself, Dr. Sheikh Sarfraz, chemistry faculty from Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya.
I think sir, students all know you because you have created a history in this channel only. Sir has taken a 13-hour marathon session in the organic chemistry. I hope so. So if you are among those students who missed that session, so please, the link will be provided to you in the Telegram group, and you can watch that recording. So this was about Sarfaraj sir. He's a
so now, sir, today shift 1 paper I think was chemistry point of view was just moderate to easy. I didn't find more than one question from my side I feel which can be called as difficult.
Okay.
So it was very cool and chill. So let us see the analysis. We'll see about the details of the examination.
Moreover, I also want to inform you everyone. So we have created a answer key. So all the memory based questions are stored in it of maths, physics and chemistry. So just go through the Telegram channel if you're not the part of that Telegram group. So please, there is a link in the description of this video. Join through that link. You'll be able to get the PDF of the document memory based questions, and not only for the first shift. So JEE Mains will be continued till 5 days. So all the shift question paper, memory based question papers along with the answer key you will be getting. So all these questions are authenticated. We as a team of Infinity Learn and Sri Chaitanya are really working hard to bring out the questions, and so we can have the
maybe some minor errors will creep in because that is based upon students' memory.
Absolutely, sir.
So question may be a bit different than the authentic question. But however, once the authentic paper comes, then obviously the authentic key and the details also.
But yeah, these are very important for the students, sir, because students who are about to give the examination.
So the main intention to release the memory-based paper was the students should get an idea how was the paper. So that shift 2 students will get alerted. Same thing today's session, based upon today's session, the students are going to write examination tomorrow. They will be a bit alerted. Then okay, this area's so and so model questions are coming, and they will be properly ready and prepared for it.
Yeah, so if you have the exam on 23rd of January, students, do let us know in the chat section. Please type me so that we will be able to know, and we'll be discussing an important aspects of how the paper would be in the 23rd of January shift 1.
Right.
So let's have the discussion of the analysis that we have for the session 1.
So you please go ahead with your subject, sir.
Yeah. So about the maths. So maths is always considered to be the important subject because with the help of math only the student is able to achieve a good rank. So the students here finds the maths question little bit lengthy. Few questions we have already got, sir. Around 17 or 18 questions out of the 25 questions we got, sir. Memory based questions. And we found that 4 or 5 questions were a bit lengthy, and the remaining
one doubt I'm having.
Yeah.
What do you mean by moderate and lengthy? Can you explain these two words?
So one is a directly formula based application. Like if you know the formula and you will be able to apply it, and that is an easy level. Okay.
Okay, right, sir.
Other is using the formula and applying the concept into it. Not the direct formula, but applying the concept which has been involved in the formula. So that is being considered to a moderate level.
Right, sir.
If I talk about the JEE Advanced, sir, so JEE Advanced level questions are not there in the math section preferably. I think 1 or 2 questions maybe
chemistry. I think already I said to all my students that chemistry was moderate to easy. It was not at all. I cannot call chemistry paper as a tough paper, sir. If the students are prepared properly, a bit moderately seriously the entire 2 years, I think they would have cracked the examination very comfortably.
Absolutely, and this happens with, sir, every time we seem like it seems to be that chemistry is much scoring for every student.
Yes, sir.
So majority of the students, they start with the chemistry, so as they can.
Sir, if anything good will happen, people will say maths and physics credit goes, but something wrong happens. Always the scapegoat is made to chemistry only. I've seen in this.
But yeah, students generally say that chemistry was bit scoring in comparison to the other 2 subjects. Yeah.
Right.
So and most preferably the inorganic portion.
Yeah, please go ahead, sir, with your subject.
So we have got few set of the questions, memory based questions, and yeah, so we got some questions and then we are coming into it. All those teachers have to join with the questions. They can join in between because
Sir. Now, dear students, we have received questions. Okay, so within a minute or two, we are going to start with the questions. So be very fast and just have.
So these are the
memory based.
Yeah, this is the quick analysis of the maths paper. Easy 5 questions, moderate 4 questions, moderate but lengthy. There were 3 questions, difficulty 2, and very difficult for 1. As I said, that very difficult will be considered to that question which consumes your 8 minutes of time.
Right.
If you consume 8 minutes, that is considered to be the more difficult.
And see, I think, sir, overall the paper was divided into 3 parts.
Yeah.
So even if students will have covered moderate to easy, they can score and crack proper.
Every JEE paper, sir, is being taken care that the moderate level has to be set in according to this percent only. So and student, this PDF will be provided to you in the Telegram group. Even if we are not able to give you the proper information right now, if I'm missing something, you'll be able to get it. See, we have bifurcated the questions according to the chapter. Here is a set and relation function, belongs to the grade 11. Number of questions that is being asked is 1. According to the memory base, we have not got the full set of 25 questions.
Students,
whatever we have got,
students,
based on that, this data is being there. Okay?
Be ready. In a minute or 2, questions are coming.
Most important is sequence and series. From the sequence and series, we are having the majority of the questions in the memory base. That is 3 questions. Okay. So yeah, we need to focus on this chapter.
So now coming to chemistry paper. Chemistry paper, as I said, you can see easy and moderate. Easy, moderate and moderate to lengthy, all maximum was this side, difficult 1 or 2 maximum. I think I can say 1 only from my side actually, not 2 also.
Okay.
Next is the chapters from which the more questions were covered. So most of
these are the memory based questions.
And easy chapters, I think more questions has come. So easy and scoring chapters.
What about sir inorganic? Like
inorganic was very cheap, easy.
Okay.
Very simple.
All right.
Very simple questions came.
So directly.
And more questions came from general organic chemistry.
GOC.
So those who are preparing for 23rd examination,
they have to
focus. Be careful about general organic chemistry.
Yeah.
So now
let's have a quick discussion about the physics. Although physics sir is not with us right now, but yeah, he'll be joining very soon. So easy questions were 5, moderate 4, moderate but lengthy they were 3, difficult 2, and very difficult were 1. And this is the general criteria. 50%.
Sir,
this time we
half
have
paper
found
physics was easy, sir.
we have found that 50% of the questions that we have got in the memory base were counted as easy questions in comparison to the moderate and difficult.
Because most of the students complain usually on physics only.
Physics and maths, yes. So maths, we can say it was quite similar to the paper being asked in the last year 2024, and in the year 2025 maths paper is quite similar. Chemistry is also similar. Physics, we can say this is time paper was easy. In the last year also paper was easy, I can say. So similar patterns have been observed this year also. So this has been the chapter wise bifurcation, and you can see that.
I think sir, this file will be available to the students after the class. They can download it and they can have a look on this. So I'll be inviting very soon.
You can have the discussion.
Yeah, I'll continue. So dear students, overall I have discussed with the students, have interacted with the students, and I have seen that the paper of shift 1 was overall moderate to easy and just 10 to 20% of tough. I think shift 2 paper also was moderate to easy side. And now let us immediately start the questions of your shift 2 maths, physics and chemistry, each paper. Within a minute our sir is going to come and is going to explain the question which has appeared in your shift 2 memory based. So dear students, remember these questions are not the exact questions but they are memory based questions, right? In memory based questions, you students like you have come up, they have given us questions and they are asking for solutions. So please let us start the memory based questions. So I welcome my colleague, friend, please welcome Anirudh sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome to Anirudh sir.
Thank you, sir.
So Anirudh sir, I am handovering the stage to you. Please continue with your subject, sir. And dear friends, as a chemistry faculty, me will be coming to you within short span of time. So please continue, sir. I'll be back.
Thank you, sir. Hello, welcome. Swagat hai, Yashbir. Welcome everyone. So yes, we will continue with the physics portion. How many of you had the exam? इस आज के दिन कितने लोगों का एग्जाम था? कितने लोगों ने ये वाला शिफ्ट दिया है? Because then you can help us as well. हमारे memory based आ रहे हैं. We'll need a little help from your end also, क्योंकि कुछ values हो सकता है इधर उधर में डगमगाए हुए हो. So we need a little help. द पेपर राइट नाउ एज ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जितने हमें मिले हैं फिजिक्स के बेसिस पे, वी हैवंट गॉट अ लॉट, स्टिल इट्स कमिंग इन। तो उसके बेसिस पे वी आर अज्यूमिंग कि इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट। मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट जैसा था, इट इज वेरी सिमिलर टू दैट। तो ओवरथिंक नहीं करना है अगले शिफ्ट्स के बारे में। बेस्ट अभी तक जो चल रहा है, इट इज स्टेइंग स्टैंडर्ड, इट्स नॉट टू इजी ताकि कट ऑफ बहुत ओवरशूट कर जाए, इट इज नॉट टू डिफिकल्ट। तो चलो हम लोग शुरू करते हैं सवालों को लेके। यस यस, वेलकम वेलकम। मॉर्निंग फिजिक्स पेपर वाज आल्सो इजी टू मॉडरेट, फिजिक्स वाला इजी टू मॉडरेट बोलूंगा मैं, ठीक है। इट वाज नॉट डिफिकल्ट, इट वाज नॉट सो इजी आल्सो, ठीक है। वी विल स्विच बिटवीन देम। चलो, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव हियर is a thin biconvex lens divided into 4 equal parts by a plane AB and C, ये CD होगा, by a plane AB and CD. The original power is 4D, 4 diopter. The after dividing power of each piece कितना हो जाता है? Now we did not get the diagram, लेकिन हम predict कर सकते हैं कि what the diagram would possibly be. It's basically going to be a biconvex. और जो AB और CD, क्योंकि this is a very common question that you get, it is dividing a mirror. This I can say is AB और CD को it was this. So those who have given the exam today, just tell me, was this the diagram? क्योंकि हमें इसका diagram नहीं मिला, but I'm assuming it is this diagram itself. काफी बच्चे आंसर कर रहे हैं ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन सी, ठीक है। चलो, आई थिंक द थिंग दैट दे आर आस्किंग कि ईच पीस का, पीस मतलब बस इतने से टुकड़े का कितना रहेगा। Now you know the power or the focal length does not change by cutting along this line. इससे काट के कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उससे बस aperture बदलता है, focal length power पे उस पे कुछ भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता। The important thing is कि I am splitting along this AB line is what makes a difference. क्योंकि जैसे हम AB लाइन को ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं, हमारा फोकल लेंथ becomes डबल, फोकल लेंथ हमारा डबल हो जाता है। फोकल लेंथ डबल होता है मतलब मेरा न्यू पावर ओरिजिनल पावर के हाफ हो जाएगा, बिकॉज आई स्प्लिट इट इक्वली। तो यहां पे सवाल में दिया हुआ था कि द ओरिजिनल पावर वाज 4D, ओरिजिनल पावर 4D था, उसका आधा कर दो, व्हाट डू यू गेट? यस, इट इज ऑप्शन ए। जितनों ने ऑप्शन ए मारा, यस करेक्ट, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए 2D, ठीक है। देखो, दिस वाज नॉट अनकॉमन। अगर आपने पढ़ाई किया, आपने नोट्स बनाए हैं, दिस इज देयर, मे बी एनसीईआरटी में नहीं है, लेकिन अगर आपने कहीं से भी पढ़ाई की है हमारे इन्फिनिटी लर्न के चैनल पे, दिस वाज देयर, दिस वाज डन इवन इन आवर पेपर प्रेडिक्टर्स, ठीक है। चलो, +4 हो गए, गुड गुड, खुद यहीं पे स्कोर करते रहो, कोई बात नहीं है। चलो, बड़े अगले वाले सवाल पे आते हैं। नेक्स्ट सवाल यहां पे दिया हुआ है सिंपल असर्शन रीजनिंग, देखते हैं कौन क्या ला पाता है इस पे। पुट योर आंसर्स इन। क्वेश्चंस कहां से आ जाते हैं हमारे पास बेटा? क्वेश्चन पेपर हमारे ये सेशन खत्म होने के बाद ही इट गोज लाइव ऑन आवर इन्फिनिटी लर्न जेई टेलीग्राम चैनल। अगर आपने वो ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो प्लीज उसको ज्वाइन कर लो, उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में रहेगा। ओवर देयर यू विल गेट द एंटायर क्वेश्चन पेपर, जो भी हमारा मेमोरी बेस्ड, वी आर श्री चैतन्य, तो हमारे हजारों बच्चे एग्जाम दे रहे हैं। सो फ्रॉम देयर थोड़ा थोड़ा इधर उधर से, किसी को आधा याद है, किसी को आधा, एंड आवर एंटायर टीम राइट नाउ बैकएंड पे बैठी हुई है, वो कलेक्ट कर रही है और वही हम ला पा रहे हैं यहां पे, ठीक है। यस, पीआईक्यू का कॉन्सेप्ट है, सिंपल सवाल है ये। दिया हुआ है सिंपल पेंडुलम इज टेकन ऑन अ प्लैनेट ऑफ मास 4 times of the earth and radius 2 times of the earth, then the time period remains constant. ये assertion statement है, ठीक है। तो यहां पे चेक करते हैं कि कौन सा करेक्ट, कौन सी स्टेटमेंट 1 स्टेटमेंट 2 के फॉर्म में था। हमें पता है टाइम पीरियड ऑफ अ सिंपल पेंडुलम होता है 2 pi रूट एल बाई जी। 2 pi रूट एल बाई जी में पेंडुलम जैसा का तैसा है, तो सिर्फ फर्क पड़ेगा मेरा एक्सीलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी में। एक्सीलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? जीएम ओवर आर स्क्वायर्ड, जीएम ओवर आर स्क्वायर्ड, ठीक है। ए ट्रू आर फॉल्स? यस, आप लोग आंसर करते रहो बेटा, प्रैक्टिस लगाए रहो, क्योंकि याद रखना पिछले साल 2024 में भी देखने को मिला था, जो शिफ्ट 1 में आया, जो डे 1 में आया, वही डे 3 डे 4 पे आने लगा था। सो देयर इज अ हाई पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस रिपीटिंग। यहां पे देखो, अगर मेरा मास मैं 4 टाइम्स कर देता हूं, माई जी डैश इफ आई टॉक अबाउट 4 टाइम्स द मास, और रेडियस मैंने डबल कर दिया 2r होल स्क्वायर चिपकाया, तो ये 2r का 4 निकलेगा, वो कट जाएगा, सो यू आर लेफ्ट विथ जीएम ओवर आर स्क्वायर। मतलब एक्सेलेरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी में कोई फर्क नहीं है। अगर कोई फर्क नहीं रहा तो यस, दिस इज करेक्ट कि मेरा टाइम पीरियड रिमेन्स अ कांस्टेंट, ठीक। तो यस, असर्शन इज ट्रू। फॉल्स, ये रीजन वाला देखते हैं। टाइम पीरियड ऑफ सिंपल पेंडुलम इज कांस्टेंट ऑन अर्थ एंड एनी अदर प्लैनेट। इसको हम इनकरेक्ट बोलेंगे क्योंकि ये जनरल केस बता रहा है। स्पेसिफिक केस जहां पे ऐसा मास है, ऐसा रेडियस है, वहां पे हो जाता है ट्रू, लेकिन जनरल केस पे इट इज नॉट ट्रू, एक्सेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी बदल जाती है। यस यस, काफी बच्चों ने सही आंसर किया यहां पे, गुड गुड वर्क। चलो अगले पर चले, ढेर सारा सवाल आ रहा है। यस, इजी क्वेश्चन, करेक्ट, इजी क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, ढेर सारे हमारे पास सवाल आ रहे हैं, चलो इस पे लग जाओ। दिस इज फाइंडिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट अ पॉइंट P। यहां पे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आपको निकालना है। इन दोनों के बीच का है 6 सेंटीमीटर, इसका है 8 एम्पियर, 4 एम्पियर। करंट के डायरेक्शंस आपके ऑपोजिट है। ये क्वेश्चन नहीं बना था आपसे, ठीक है, अब चेक कर लेंगे हम, कोई बात नहीं है। चलो यस, खुद को +4 दो। अगर पिछला वाला आपसे बन गया बेटा, +4 डालते रहो, खुद को स्कोर करो, चाहे आपका एग्जाम आज हो या कल हो। BLV वाले पे नहीं आएगा बेटा, ये BLV वाला सेटअप नहीं है। यहां पे आपको μ0I एक स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग वायर से एट अ सर्टेन डिस्टेंस अवे पे कितना होगा वो लगाना पड़ेगा। करके देखें इसको, करके देखें इसको। देखो फॉर्मूला क्या है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एट अ सर्टेन डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम अ स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग वायर का फॉर्मूला आता है μ0I डिवाइडेड बाई 2πr। ये होता है फॉर्मूला। तो मैं निकाल सकता हूं मैग्नेटिक फील्ड 8 एम्पियर की वजह से कितना है, 4 एम्पियर की वजह से कितना है। इसको मैं चलो वायर 1 बोलता हूं, इसको वायर 2 बोलता हूं। B1 क्या आता है, μ0 इंटू 8 डिवाइडेड बाई 2π। डिस्टेंस क्या है पॉइंट P का, 6 सेंटीमीटर और 4 सेंटीमीटर, 10 सेंटीमीटर, जिसको हम 0.1 लिखेंगे। ठीक है, SI यूनिट्स में रखनी है क्योंकि आई बिलीव फाइनल आंसर मेरे को SI में पूछा गया था। अगेन हमारे पास ऑप्शंस नहीं है, ये भी नहीं पता ये न्यूमेरिकल है कि नहीं, बट वी विल ट्राई टू स्टिक टू दी SI यूनिट्स। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट B2 क्या है, अगले वाले के लिए आपका करंट है 4 एम्पियर का, तो μ0 इंटू 4, μ0 टाइम्स 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 2π। डिस्टेंस क्या है 4 सेंटीमीटर का, जो आता है 0.04 पे। तो अब गौर से एक बात देखो, इस वायर को लो तो उस पॉइंट पे राइट हैंड थंब रूल से फील्ड अंदर जाता है। इस वायर के लिए लो तो आप राइट हैंड थंब रूल से यहां पे उंगलियां बाहर आती हैं, तो उस बेसिस पे आपके मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सबट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो आपका नेट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आके बैठता है B1 माइनस B2। B1 माइनस B2 लो, आप μ0 बाई 2π आप कॉमन ले लो, अंदर रहता है 8 बाई 0.1 माइनस, क्योंकि वो वाला ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में था, 4 बाई 0.04। तो यहां पे क्या आता है μ0 का, तो आप 4π इंटू 10 टू दी पावर -7 चिपकाओ, नीचे है 2π, ऊपर पे रहेगा ये आप हटाओ, 80 करो इसको, 80 माइनस इसको हटाओ 400, ये कटेगा 100, सो 100 माइनस 80। टेक्निकली नेगेटिव आया क्योंकि वो वाला स्ट्रॉन्गर है, ये 2 से गया 2 और इधर 20, तो 40 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर -7 आएगा। अब डिपेंड करता है किसमें आंसर पूछा गया था, किसमें आंसर पूछा गया था। ठीक है, एक बार यूनिट्स चेक कर लो बेटा, अगर आपका 4 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर -8 आ रहा है, ये 4 इंटू 10 टू दी पावर -6 आना चाहिए। एक बार आप वो चीज चेक कर लेना। ठीक है, मास ऑफ अ पेंडुलम ऑन एनी प्लैनेट इज कांस्टेंट, वो रीजन था क्या पिछला वाला, कुछ बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं। मास ऑफ अ रीजन ऑन एनी प्लैनेट इज कांस्टेंट, वो ट्रू रहेगा, वो बात ट्रू रहेगा अगर वो आया होता। आई एम नॉट एग्जैक्टली श्योर, हम लोग को जो मिल रहा है, अभी बच्चे एग्जाम देने में ज्यादा फिक्र रखते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी वी आर कलेक्टिंग इट, राइट। सेंटीमीटर का हमने नाप लिया ना, सेंटीमीटर का था, तो सेंटीमीटर का हमने 10 सेंटीमीटर का 0.1 लगाया और 4 सेंटीमीटर का हमने 0.04 लगाया, उस बदौलत आ गया करेक्ट, 10 टू दी पावर -6। चलो तो वही ऐसे फॉर्म में लिख देते हैं, 4 टाइम्स 10 टू दी पावर -6 टेस्ला। SI में निकाला है हमने पूरा। ठीक, अगला वाला देखते हैं। अगला सवाल दिया हुआ है कि फाइंड द करेक्ट डिमेंशनल फॉर्मूला फॉर द कैपेसिटेंस in terms of M, L, T and C, not ampere, C, where they stand for mass, length, time and charge। ठीक है, इसको करने का एक शॉर्टकट तरीका देखो, इसको आप फैला के कर सकते हो। फैला के करने का तरीका वही रहता है कि आप कैपेसिटेंस के यूनिट को आप मास टू दी पावर A, लेंथ टू दी पावर B, टाइम टू दी पावर C और चार्ज टू दी पावर D करके कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो। टाइम बहुत बीत जाएगा आपका उस पर। शॉर्टकट तरीका इसको कैसे करोगे आप, आपको क्या पता है, आपको पता है कि एनर्जी ऑफ अ कैपेसिटर जिस पे चार्ज क्यू रहता है, एनर्जी का फॉर्मूला क्या आता है, E इज 1/2 Q²/C रहता है ये वाला फॉर्मूला। मैंने क्यों ये वाला फॉर्मूला चूज किया, क्योंकि मेरे को एनर्जी के डिमेंशंस पता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ M, L एंड T, और चार्ज का चार्ज रह जाएगा। तो मैं कैपेसिटेंस को लिख दे सकता हूं एज Q²/2E। करने से चीज को अब मैं डिमेंशनल फॉर्म में जैसे ही शिफ्ट करूं, जैसे मैं डिमेंशनल फॉर्म में शिफ्ट करूं, डिमेंशनली चार्ज का तो दिया हुआ है, उसका आपको यूनिट लेना है C, तो C²। और 2 तो ठीक है, वो तो डिमेंशनलेस कांस्टेंट है, भूल जाओ आप। एनर्जी इन टर्म्स ऑफ M, L एंड T क्या होता है, mL2T-2 ये आता है एनर्जी का। ठीक है, I के रास्ते जाओ ही मत ग्रेजुएट, I के रास्ते जाओ ही मत, क्योंकि आपको करंट के फॉर्म, चार्ज के फॉर्म में लाना है। आप I के रास्ते जाओगे तो आपका 2-3 स्टेप बढ़ेगा। दिस इज द शॉर्टर वे टू गो थ्रू इट। एक फॉर्मूला में आपका आंसर आ गया। ठीक, तो क्या मिलेगा आपको, ये कैपेसिटेंस का, ये C और ये अलग है, ठीक है, इसको मैं कैप कर देता हूं कैपेसिटेंस के लिए। उसका डिमेंशंस आ जाएगा आपका C² M-1 L-2 T+2, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी नीचे -2 पे था, +2, ये आ जाएगा आपका कैपेसिटेंस का। M-1 L-2 T2 C2, यस करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट। आज इजी आया था, कल और परसों नहीं, क्यों खाली में टेंशन ले रहे हो तुम, क्यों खाली में टेंशन ले रहे हो, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं कि आज इसी आया तो कल कठिन होगा। चलो बड़े आगे, आप Q = IT के रास्ते, V = ET, देखो 3-4 स्टेप पे जा सकते हो, यस, बट देयर इज अ डायरेक्ट लाइन फॉर इट, वन लाइन आंसर है ये वाला। अंकन क्लियर है आपको, ठीक है, हार्ड होना चाहिए वो तो, थोड़ी इज्जत बचानी चाहिए जेई को अपनी। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट, मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज एरर इन द मेजरमेंट ऑफ डेंसिटी ऑफ अ वायर कितना है। ठीक है, डेंसिटी ऑफ द वायर का फॉर्मूला कितना होता है, सिंपल, डेंसिटी इज मास डिवाइडेड बाय, वायर इज अ सिलेंडर, सिलेंडर मतलब उसका वॉल्यूम, टेक्निकली मास बाय वॉल्यूम होता है, सिलेंडर के लिए वॉल्यूम हो जाता है πr²L, ठीक है, πr²L, ठीक है। तो उसके बेसिस पे मैं परसेंटेज एरर इन डेंसिटी, सिंपल आप रिलेशंस देखो, मास का पावर इज 1, सो इट सिंपली परसेंटेज एरर इन मास। पाई का तो भूल जाओ, दैट्स अ डिमेंशनलेस कांस्टेंट, उसके बारे में सोचना ही नहीं है, उस पर एरर नहीं हो सकता। रेडियस का पावर 2 है, मैंने बताया था पावर जो भी एरर्स हैं वो नेगेटिव पावर हो पॉजिटिव पावर हो फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आपको सब ऐड करना है, गलतियां ऐड होती हैं, गलतियां सबट्रैक्ट नहीं होती। प्लस लेंथ का परसेंटेज चेंज इन लेंथ आ गया, क्योंकि लेंथ का भी फैक्टर एक ही है। अब सारी चीजें मेरे पास यहां पे प्रोवाइडेड है, आप लगाओ। परसेंटेज चेंज इन मास के लिए 0.3 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.6। मेरे को बेटा आप लोग आंसर डालो, चैट में आंसर डालते रहो, बड़ा इजी है, यस इजी तो है ही। नेक्स्ट 0.01 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.5 इंटू 100 प्लस अगले वाले का 0.05, ये 2 टाइम्स है, देखना मैंने 2% आर था क्योंकि आर स्क्वायर था। लेंथ का क्या आएगा 0.05 डिवाइडेड बाय 10 टाइम्स 100। तो हटाते हैं कुछ चीजें, यहां से हटाते हैं, चलो इसको आप हटाओ और इसको हटाओ, तो आपका क्या आ गया 3/6 आ गया। यहां पे क्या आ जाता है, आप इसको हटा दो, यहां पे 0.1 पे लगाओ, इसको हटाओ, 0.1 इसके साथ काट के एक 10/5 रहेगा, 20/5 हो जाएगा ये। और यहां पे आपका क्या है, एक हटाओ विच इज 0.5। ऊपर वाले का 3/6 आपको 0.5 देगा, यहां पे आपका 2 × 10 20/5 आपको 4 देगा, और लास्ट में 0.05 टाइम्स 10 आपको फिर से 0.5 देगा। सो योर टोटल एरर इज 5%। यस ग्रेजुएट, इट इज 5। हाँ, एंड में भी आप 100 से आप रिलेटिव एरर्स निकाल के एंड में भी 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं उसमें, ठीक है। देखते हैं और है क्या हमारा फिजिक्स का, या चलो मैथ्स आ गया, अब ये मेरे सर के ऊपर से निकल जाएगा। तो उसके लिए बशीर सर है यहाँ पे, ही इज हियर टू टेक इट अवे। ये देख के कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा है सर।
हाय सर, अच्छा
क्या ये
कैसा
complicated है सर?
मैथ एक तो रूटीन क्वेश्चन है सर।
अच्छा,
रूटीन क्वेश्चन है, स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चन है। तो जो क्वेश्चन अब तक मैथ में आए हैं वो तो स्टैंडर्ड ही है। ऐसा कि नहीं लाइक एक्सट्रीमली डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन, ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं है।
मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट के कंपैरिजन में कैसा है सर?
मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट पेपर मॉडरेट है, जस्ट लाइक 2024 पेपर्स है ऐसे ही है पेपर, और इवनिंग सेशन पेपर भी ऑलमोस्ट वैसा ही है सर। ये तो डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, मॉडरेट क्वेश्चन पेपर है एंड वेरी कंफर्टेबली हमारे बच्चे अच्छे तरह से लिख सकते हैं
एकदम। तो आपको डरना नहीं है, बशीर सर है वो और इजी करते जाएंगे। तो
Yeah.
सर टेक इट अवे।
Yeah, thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, dear students, how are you all? Pleasant evening. Hi, how are you? Yeah, thank you, everyone. Maths is tough, kindly tell. Yeah, actually, math is comparatively tough, but we can say moderate to tough it is. Easy questions are only a few, 2, 3. Most of the questions are, most of the questions are moderate, dear students. Yes, and you see the model that we've discussed in the general sessions and all, we have got the question almost in the similar way, dear students. So, shift 1 की maths तो tough नहीं है, except 1 or 2 definite integration questions and all. Most of the questions are moderate, bit time taking, बस इतना, इसे ज़्यादा नहीं है, right dear students? Yeah, right. So आप यहाँ पे solutions, आपको जो आंसर आए हैं वो बताते रहना dear students. ये देखिए प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बाइनोमियल कोशेंट्स प्रॉब्लम है, r स्क्वायर इंटू 30 CR. सो आप जानते हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स, NCR ए प्रॉपर्टी आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। NCR आप लिख सकते हैं n by r इंटू n-1 CR-1। अगर ये प्रॉपर्टी आपको पता है तो प्रॉब्लम बहुत आसान होता है। यहां पे क्या लिख सकते हैं, r स्क्वायर है, फाइन, 30 CR इंटू 30 CR, 30 CR को 30 बाई R इंटू 29 CR-1 लिख सकते हैं। सिमिलरली 30 बाई R इंटू 29 CR-1 लिख सकते हैं। न्यूमरेटर ये होता है, इधर R स्क्वायर है। डिनोमिनेटर भी आप 29 में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, 30 बाई R-1 इंटू 29 CR-2 लिख सकते हैं, राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ 30 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, ये R स्क्वायर भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो क्या होता है नेक्स्ट, राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स। अब देखिए इधर एक 30 है, फाइन, ये R-1 न्यूमरेटर में आता है, 30 इंटू R-1 होगा। नाउ यू सी 29 CR-1 यहां पे रखिए, ए पर्टिकुलर पोर्शन को आप सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स। ये कैसा है, n सेम, r वन मोर इन द न्यूमरेटर। सो आप ए प्रॉपर्टी शायद आपको पता है, NCR by NCR plus 1 is R plus 1 by n minus r। अगर ए प्रॉपर्टी पता है तो आप आसान से सॉल्व कर सकते। यू टेक 29 CR-2 by 29 CR-1। सो R-1 by you can write 31 minus R लिख सकते हैं इसे। सो क्वाइट रिवर्स है। सो यहां पे इसका 31 minus R by R-1 लिख सकते हैं। R-1 कैन बी कैंसिल्ड। आप देखिए डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहां पे 30 इंटू 31 माइनस R इंटू 30 इंटू 31 माइनस R इंटू 29 CR-1 इज द प्रॉपर्टी। नाउ यू सी, अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 30 इंटू 31 दैट इज 930 29 CR-1 माइनस 30 R इंटू 29 CR-1। हमें सिग्मा लगाना पड़ेगा। सिग्मा R इज इक्वल 1 to 30 है, सिंस R-1 है, R इज इक्वल टू 1 to 30 अगर आप लगाते हैं, यू सी डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्या होता है, देखिए सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है इधर। सो ए पार्ट में फॉर्मूला है, निकाल रहा हूं, कट करके इधर लिखेंगे। शायद डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज मेंशन द आंसर दैट यू गॉट हियर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। ये सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, आप बताओ ये क्वेश्चन इजी है कि मॉडरेट है, आप बताओ क्वेश्चन इजी है कि मॉडरेट। अब देखिए अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 30 इंटू 31 इंटू 29 CR-1 माइनस 30 इंटू R इंटू 29C R minus 1, राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स। अब देखिए यहां पे सिंप्लीफाई करो, अगर आप सिग्मा अप्लाई करते हैं, सिग्मा R minus 1, या डियर स्टूडेंट्स क्या आंसर है आपका? इफ यू अप्लाई सिग्मा R is equal to 1 to 30, ये होता है सो 21C, दिस इज 30 into 31 into, अगर R is equal to 1 to 29 लगाते हैं, so R is equal to 1 will give 29C0, next 29C1, 29C29 होता है, this is 2 power 29 dear students। इसके बाद 30, अगर R is equal to 1 लगाते हैं, 1 into 29C minus 1, so यहाँ पे R minus 1 plus 1 भी कर सकते हैं, so next it becomes, यहाँ पे इसे सिंप्लीफाई करो कि 30 into R minus 1 into 29C R minus 1 करो, so आपको माइनस होता है, so minus 30 into 29C R minus 1 होता है, राइट। अब क्या है, अगर आप R is equal to 1 to 1 अप्लाई करते हैं, so n into, you see like sigma R into RC1 होता है, sigma R into NCR, so this is n into 2 power n minus 1 होता है इसका प्रॉपर्टी। now you just apply here, this is 29 into 2 power 28 होता है, so this is 2 power 29, this is 2 power 28, और इसके बाद इसका 30 plus 2 power 29 होता है, राइट। so यहां से 2 power 28 कॉमन, 2 power 29 कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं, आपको अल्फा वैल्यू मिल जाएगा, राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स। सो ए क्वेश्चन, या ये क्वेश्चन आपको अल्फा वैल्यू कंफर्टेबल से मिल जाता, कैलकुलेट करना। सो प्रोसीजर क्या है, यहां पे देखिए, ये प्रॉब्लम में इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है कि जस्ट बाइनोमियल क्वोशंट्स के बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज आपको पता चलना चाहिए। एक है एनसीआर को n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1 लिख सकते। सेकेंड एनसीआर by, या 5 important chapters for 23 morning shift Bashir, yeah 5 important chapters भैया, sis again matrices, vectors, determinant, इसके साथ सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज से मॉर्निंग शिफ्ट में भी 2 to 3 क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी में भी सिंपल क्वेश्चंस 2 to 3 आए हैं। सो ये टॉपिक्स देख लीजिए, और प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन क्वेश्चन भी काफी इजी है, वो भी देख लीजिए। इसका कैलकुलेशन करने पर आपको आर वैल्यू मिल जाएगा, राइट 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 डियर स्टूडेंट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, जो बच्चे एक क्वेश्चन लिखे थे, सो द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव रिटन द exam, ensure this question dear students, A is set 1 to 3, then the number of relations on A which consists of ordered pairs 1 to 2 3 which must be reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. How many of you can you confirm this dear students? Is this question clear? Is this question clear dear students? Yeah, sure, we'll continue in English itself, don't worry. So the question is, A is given as set 1 to 3, and then the number of relations on A which consists of ordered pairs 1 to 2 3 must be there, and the relation must be reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. That is the beauty in this. Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you. I'll be coming with few more questions, then I'll give the techniques and all. Don't worry, dear students. So first of all, the consent relation must contain 1 2 and 2 3. First point. The next, dear students, we can say since reflexive, it must contain 1 1 2 2 3 3. Also, they must contain these elements, right? Next, dear students, since the relation is transitive, when 1 2 2 3 are there, 1 3 must also be there. So if you take up to here these 6 elements, you see the relation is clearly reflexive and transitive also, because 1 2 2 3 1 3 2 3, okay, then 1 3 another part is not there. Clearly this relation is symmetric and reflexive, but not, relation is transitive and reflexive but not symmetric. Now we are left with 3 ordered pairs. What are they? 2 1 we are left with, 1 2 new, this is 3 2 we are left with, this is 3 1 we are left with. Now with these 3 elements, yes, you are correct, perfectly correct. With these elements, 6 combinations can be taken. Now to this you can add only 2 1, only 3 2, only 3-1 combination 2-1-3-2, 2-1-3-1, 3-2-3-1 and all the 3, this one. So 8 combinations are possible. Of these, my dear friends, 3, 6, 7, empty set means only this. 8 combinations are possible. Of this is a successful case. Clearly it is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. But this is a failure case, my dear friends, because if you take all, clearly it will be symmetric also, right? So right, my dear friends, now the remaining 7 you can see except 3-1. So if you take just 2-1, it is symmetric, I mean it is transitive but fails to be symmetric because 3-2 is not there. This case is okay, this case is okay, but if you take 3-1 alone, my dear friends, 3-1 alone, 3-1-1-2 means 3-2 should also be there. Transitive fails. Alone 3-1 is not okay for us because it will not be transitive. In other cases, you see these 3 cases, if you just add these 2 cases, you can observe that it is going to be transitive but not symmetric, right? So out of the 8 cases, only 2 are unsuccessful, 6 are okay. That means there will be 6 such relations which are, I mean to say, reflexive and transitive but not symmetric, right, dear students? So yeah, if continuity differentiability, if you didn't do anything so far for continuity differentiability, don't worry about it. If easy question comes, you can try in the exam, otherwise leave it. Okay, dear students? Okay, yeah, dear students. And all of you, you see in the morning paper analysis, few more questions we are getting, dear students. I will be coming with, so as of now, math, only these questions. And other questions, chemistry will be discussed. Then again, I will come, dear students. I will give very good insights today at the end of the session regarding both the math papers, dear students. So where to focus, what to do. You see, I told in the sessions also, binomial coefficients properties, everybody are saying that it is neglected, it is not there in the syllabus, deleted. You see, in the morning, we got one question. Here also we got a question. So please do remember, binomial coefficients question, definitely you can expect. Simple properties of binomial quotients you must practice, my dear friends, like NCR by NCR plus 1, basic properties you have to do. Please don't forget that. Okay, dear students. Okay, yeah. Next, dear students, I mean to say, all of you, the other questions part, coming to morning session paper, you might have seen the analysis. You see, how many of you have given morning session, or how many of you seen morning session paper? Okay, right, dear students, how many of you have given? Right, techniques for math. Yeah, dear students, how was difficulty level of JEE? Right, moderate 36%. Yeah, math. Yeah, dear students, good. So math part, you can see it is almost in the level of 2024, especially January or April level of papers, my dear friends. So you don't expect very tough questions. If you could answer 15 to 16 question in math, it is more than, I mean to say, comfortable score it is. So I mean to say, see, it is not like physics, chemistry you are getting comfortable scores. Please save time at physics and chemistry and spend for math. Definitely you are going to get, my dear friends. So math is little bit, it is, I don't say it is tough, but you need to put little time for this, my dear friends. Okay, got my point, dear students? Yeah. अरे नमिता, 29th वाला पेपर हार्ड, हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं? So paper is a random one. Okay, yeah. So yeah, dear students, I mean to say, math will come with more questions, and at the end of the session I give the summary of both the papers, which is very helpful for you, for the students who are going to write tomorrow exam. Yeah, don't miss, dear students. I'll be coming with more insights, right? Meanwhile, let us welcome our chemistry sir, Sarfraz sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, thank you, sir. Hello, Bashir sir.
Hi, sir.
Thank you,
Yes.
thank you very much for
Yes.
handovering me.
Yes, sir.
So, dear students, all of y'all, thank you, Bashir sir. Dear students, chemistry was very cheap paper. Chemistry questions were very easy, very simple, very scoring. Than shift 1. Than shift 1, there are very easy questions. Okay, sir. So let me continue.
Please carry on, sir.
So thank you all of y'all.
Okay, sir.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir. Fine.
So let me continue
So see
the
you,
class.
dear students.
So dear students, let us solve the questions of shift 2. Very cheap, local, easy questions. Very cheap questions. typed by one of our friend Mr. Bhaskar. Let's see the first question. The first question is 3m of NaCl, okay, whose density is 1.25, and if you belong to Infinity Learn, by Sri Chaitanya, everybody will agree in the live session. These questions we have solved in the class, not 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, including revision 5-6 times we have solved. Okay, let us see how to solve this. Okay, all right. So 3m of NaCl, that means 3m of NaCl means 3 moles of NaCl, correct, will be there in 1 liter solution. That is the meaning of 3m. Am I right? Come on, give me thumbs up, hearts, kidneys, spleen, gallbladder, something fast. So 3 moles of NaCl will be there in 1 liter of the solution. Is asking find molality. So we know that molality is nothing but number of moles by weight of solvent in kg. Weight of solvent in kilogram we have to take. That means so we are already having 3 moles of NaCl. That means here molality of this is 3 divided by weight of solvent in kilogram. Thank you for giving hearts, kidneys, lungs. Right, now we need weight of solvent, that means we need weight of water. So here you can see we can find weight of water from density. How can we find? Tell me all of you all. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Density is 1.25 and mass is m and volume V is 1000 ml. Am I right? Because this is in gram per ml. Right? So therefore mass is equal to 1250 grams, or it will be 1.25 what? Kilograms. Correct? Now dear students, this is the weight of the solution. So we know that solution is equal to solute plus solvent. Am I right? Solution is equal to solute plus solvent. So solution is how much? 1250 gram. What is the weight of solute? 3 moles of NaCl. 3 moles of NaCl means what? 58.5, correct? 58.5 into 3, correct? Plus weight of the solvent. So weight of the solvent is equal to 1250 minus 58.5 into 3, correct? This is 58. So once you get this, convert and keep in the weight of the solid in kg. Here you can keep it. Please give me thumbs up everyone. Got the answer? Quick. Everyone understood? Everyone, come on. Is it clear? This question was a bit calculative. It was not easy question. This was not cheap. This was moderate cheap. Okay. So it's okay. Next question. Next question is stability of carbocation. So based upon memory of the students, praise mark was 80 only, please guide me. Don't take Joshi. I'll discuss these general things at the end of the class. So dear students, this is purely based upon memory of students. Remember, all of y'all. So all of y'all can see stability of carbocation. The most stablest will be option C, because this is good, not good. This is very good. This is very good, plus I, and on benzene ring it is very good, plus M group. Right? Very good. Answer is option C. Very nice. Okay. Acha, if he has order in exam, what to do? Suppose he asks you order, then C will come, then D will come, then A will come, then B will come, because this is having minus I group. So it is very bad for the stability of carbocation. I don't know, is this single or order? I don't know how it came in exam. I don't know. So both the ways I have discussed with you, single as well as order, so that you take care in your examination hall. In corrosion of metal, the metal acts as cathode. Come on, tell me. जोशी केमिस्ट्री तुम सिर्फ अभी एज इफ नाउ एग्जाम के पास एनसीईआरटी पढ़ लो बस अभी, ठीक है. कम ऑन टेल मी, कम ऑन टेल मी. Okay, in corrosion of metal, the metal acts as cathode. True or false? I will tell you. Everybody have iron at home? Yes. Everybody have iron at home. Iron, does it undergo corrosion? Yes, iron undergoes corrosion. How does it undergo corrosion? It will form ferrous and ferric type of ions. First ferrous, then ferric. It will undergo. So what is this happening? Tell me. Oxidation. And oxidation will happen at what end? Anode. So he is saying that it is, I don't know what is the exact statement given in examination. Hello, I don't know what is the exact statement. If anybody know, please you can chat and send us, we can rectify it. So in corrosion of metal, the metal act as cathode is a wrong statement. It can act as anode is the correct statement. Now coming to statement true. 2. Alkaline medium increases rate of corrosion. Dear students, let it be acid medium, let it be alkaline medium, or just simple water, that is neutral. All are very dangerous for corrosion. For corrosion, acid, base, neutral, all are only dangerous. Hence, so this is your statement, right? So exactly, Acha Vedant Jain is saying pure metal anode. Okay, like that it came. Okay. Both are false. Okay, like that it came. Because one of my student gave me. Atharva Joshi, condition for corrosion is moisture. Once moisture comes, oxidation reduction starts and it happens. Okay, so please remember. Okay, now very, anybody tell me the answer of this? Everybody tell me. Dimethyl glyoxime, I explained in the class. Remember, blood red color complex. Blood red color complex. How many? Anybody tell me? How many hydrogens are there? Tell me. One glyoxime has how many? Dimethyl glyoxime. Tell me fast. This is dimethyl glyoxime. Okay. Generally, it is represented in this form. Please, DMG, we write like this. Ni. DMG, dimethyl glyoxime, taken 2 times we take it. Am I right? Right? Tell me, count and tell me. So 1 DMG has, this is 6 and that is 1 7. Right? So 2 will have double of it. Now dear students, some books, this O minus they will write here OH. Am I right? Some books here in place of O minus OH is there and they may tell 16 also to you. Are you following? We are NEET no re, cheap level question, not NEET level also. Below NCERT level question, very cheap question, very easy. What is this? Okay, if you have prepared properly, you can crack the exam like anything. Right? Chalo. Next. Acha, one doubt I am having. In this question, 40 ml 2 molar NaOH and 60 ml 4 molar NaOH is there or HCl is there? Anybody help me please? Both NaOH you are mixing or only NaOH and HCl you are mixing? Because I am also a little bit doubtful about this question set by my student. Anybody can you guide me please? 40 ml NaOH and 60 ml 4 molar NaOH only or HCl is there here? Because generally neutralization reaction question comes. Anybody? I am not getting any messages. Fast. Please tell me, anybody help me. Did here, are you mixing NaOH with NaOH? This is question is correct or here HCl is there? Very good, very good. Expecting 230 plus, very nice. No one is helping me. Okay. Okay, I will explain in both the cases to you. Okay. So here you can see 40 ml 2 molar NaOH is there. Okay, you can do directly by formula also can do. I will show you by HCl is there. Saidulu Salanki saying HCl. Everyone give thumbs up. If this is HCl, give me thumbs up. I will change the question. Is this HCl or NaOH? Everybody. HCl. Saida is saying HCl. Other students? HCl only? Quick. Okay. So therefore, I will remove NaOH and write here HCl as said by Saida, one of the student. So let us see how to solve this. So this is NaOH reacts with HCl to give NaCl plus water. This is very simple question. So now tell me, so what is it saying here? 40 ml 2 molar. So that means okay, molarity is equal to number of moles by volume in liter, right? So therefore molarity 2 into this is 40, correct, is to what is this? HCl 60 into 4, right? So this will become 80 is 2. This will become 240. Am I right? Everybody agree? Right? Everybody agree? So here you can see this will become limiting reagent. Am I right? This will become limiting reagent. This will become limiting reagent. Therefore, this will become 0. Finish. Correct? Then from 240, if 80 is been lost, then you will get 160 millimole will be left over. Not mole, your millimole will be left. Please give me thumbs up, everyone. Give me thumbs up. Is this clear? Everyone, thumbs up. Is this clear? I think my message is coming a bit slowly to you. Okay. You got 160 millimoles will be left. What is left? HCl, right? So now coming to the new, so number of moles is equal to 160 millimole means 160 divided by 1000, you will get in moles. So number of moles is 0.16, you will get moles. Now coming to molarity of the new solution, that is number of moles by volume in liter. Where is total volume in liter? This is 40 and this is 60 ml. So it is 0.1 liter. Since 40 ml plus 60 ml is equal to 100 ml. 100 ml means what? 0.1 liter. Please give me thumbs up. Come on, everyone. Krupa. Right? Is this clear? Right? Good. Another very, anybody will tell me the answer? Very simple, very cheap, very local, very easy question. I'll give you 30 seconds time. Tell me fast what is the correct answer. What is the correct answer? Exact answer. Tell me fast. Anybody? Fast, tell me. Quick. Right? Now I'll show you which of the following has two secondary hydrogens. Okay. Let us 2 degree or 2 secondary, let us see. So first let me draw the structures. Okay, 2,2-dimethyl, 2, this is 3, this is 4-ethyl. Okay, hexane. Second option. Okay, I will just delete it and write here because place is less. Okay, 1 second. First one 2, 2, 3, this is 4-ethyl hexane. Second one, pentane, 2, 2, 3, 3, dimethyl. How this will be? This will be tetramethyl. Okay, it will be tetramethyl. This will be also tetramethyl. Error from student. Now coming to the third question, heptane, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3, this is 4, 4, heptane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right. Fourth one, none of this. So now let us check. Hexane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 4-ethyl, okay, 2, 2 dimethyl, right. 2, 2, 3, this is tetramethyl, not dimethyl, this is tetramethyl, right. Okay. So now what is the question now? Which of the following has 2 secondary hydrogens? If he is asking, hello, if he is asking 2 secondary hydrogens, 2 he is asking or 2 degree is asking? That is a matter of question mark here. So if he is asking 2 secondary hydrogens, so here you can see, here these are second degree hydrogens, these are second degree hydrogens. Here this is only second degree hydrogen. Here you have second degree hydrogen, here you have having second degree hydrogen, and here none is there. Suppose he is asking 2 secondary hydrogens. Hello? Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Okay, everybody understood now? So suppose the question is, which of the following have 2 secondary hydrogens? Then answer is this one. If which of the following has secondary hydrogens? All are having. So I think 2 is the proper question. I think 2 is the proper question. 2 secondary hydrogens is the proper question. Is this clear, all of y'all? Right? Right. Right. I think the chats are coming a little bit slow to me. I can see some chats are coming a bit slow. There is some lag, maybe due to some internet issue. Okay, no problem. Right. So here if you see 4, here 2, there. Right. Next question, the compound with molecular formula C6H6 gives 1 bromo derivative in presence of light and requires 4 moles of hydrogen. Is this question clear first of all? Anybody want to change this question? Because I feel this is the question based upon memory. So 1, 2, 3, 4. अच्छा यहाँ पर भी है ना second degree है ना, right. The compound with molecular formula C6H6 gives 1 mono-bromo derivative in presence of light and require 4 moles of hydrogen for hydrogenation. Tell me everybody. Okay. What was the question here? What was the question here? Please tell me. What did he ask? Because this is not a complete question. What did he ask here? You tell me, Hemant. Number of pi electrons? Number of pi electrons. So remember all of y'all. If it needs 4 mole of hydrogens for hydrogenation, that means this is clearly indicating that it has 4 pi bonds. If he is asking about electrons, then 4 into 2, it should have 8 pi electrons. Suppose he is asking, are you following? Right? Okay, and let it be empirical formula or molecular formula. This is very important. 4 moles of hydrogen for hydrogenation means what? 4 pi bonds are there. Finish. Here only you will get the answer. Is it clear? Right? Okay. Next. Oh, now this is all. These are very simple and easy and cheap questions. Chemistry I will bring up with some organic questions are ready now. So I will bring up with immediately with organic question. 3 moles he asked, Sriharan. Come on, tell me everyone. I don't know because this is based upon students' memory. 4 mole came in exam or 3 mole came in exam? Some are saying 3, some are saying 4. But however, based upon this question, you will have 8 pi electrons. Okay. So thank you. I will be back shortly with organic questions. Okay. Anuruddh sir will continue with physics. Okay. Physics sir is back with you. Okay. Thank you, Anuruddh sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Yes. Thank you. So students, we have a few more questions. We have a few more questions in physics, and again question level not very high, it's more easier side, you will see. So chalo, let's get started with the questions. Yes, many of you still answering chemistry bits. Okay, chalo, let's move into physics now. See how simple, how easy the question is. सीधा force दिया हुआ है, आपको radius vector दिया हुआ है, you want the torque. Basic cross product question. You want, I'm assuming they ask for magnitude of the torque. ठीक है, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द टॉर्क निकालो, लगाओ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट इसके ऊपर. लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग. आप लोग भी अपने एंड पे चैट करते रहो, चैट में बने रहो. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट आई जे के, आर क्रॉस एफ, आर इज 1 1 1, द एफ इज 2 1 and 2, 2 1 and 2. इफ आई डू अ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट आई कैप में वहां पे आप 1 into 2, 1 into 2 minus 1 into 1, माइनस जे कैप के साथ क्या आएगा 1 इंटू 2 माइनस 2 इंटू 1 प्लस के कैप के साथ क्या आएगा 1 इंटू 1 माइनस 1 इंटू 2 क्या आया इवेंचुअली 2 माइनस 1 दैट इज आई कैप। यहां पे माइनस जे कैप, ये भी 2 माइनस 2 0 भूल जाओ। यहां पे यू हैव 1 माइनस 2 विच इज माइनस के कैप। तो सिंपल दिस इज द टॉर्क एज अ वेक्टर, सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ टॉर्क √2। 2 आया, 2 कैसे आया चेक करो एक बार, चेक करो किसी का 2 अलग आया, ठीक है बच्चों। मेरे को थोड़ा कंफर्म करके बताओ यहां पे क्या ये 2k था या माइनस 2k था। √2 आ रहा है सबका, √2 आ रहा है, यस यस चलो गुड। आई माइनस 2k कहां पे, नहीं आई माइनस के ही आना चाहिए, चेक करो। आई थिंक इट शुड स्टे एज √2। 2 आई कैप माइनस जे कैप माइनस 2k कैप था क्या? Was this minus 2k cap? Anyone who has given the shift this time? No, everyone going with this? चलो अगर -2 रहा तो आप अकॉर्डिंगली शिफ्ट चेंज करके देख लो। मेथड यही है, इट इज वेरी डायरेक्ट, वेरी बेसिक। अगेन आई एम टेलिंग कि वी आर गेटिंग दीज एज मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस एंड ओनली ऑन श्री चैतन्य इन्फिनिटी लर्न विल यू गेट दिस क्वालिटी, दिस एक्यूरेसी ओवर हियर। हम सबसे पहले पेपर एनालिसिस स्टार्ट करते हैं बिकॉज वी हैव सच ए ह्यूज पूल, such a huge pool of students who bring these questions. We have a team जो वो collect कर रही है, तो उनके लिए let's have a few likes। अगर आपने अभी तक like नहीं किया वीडियो को, so just click the like button for all those students जो आपके लिए provide करते हैं। ये जो हमारी पूरी टीम लगी हुई है बैक एंड पे to ensure the validity of each question सही आ रहा है कि नहीं उसके बेसिस पे, ठीक है। 290 पे 99.9 यस हो जाएगा, आराम से हो जाएगा। चलो बढ़े आगे, अगला सवाल देखते हैं। सिंपल सवाल है, यहां पे एक डाइपोल दिया हुआ है, देयर आर 2 पॉइंट्स, पॉइंट ए एंड पॉइंट बी। पॉइंट ए पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है E0 और वहां पे द पोटेंशियल इज गिवन एज V0। सो यू वांट द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट बी। ध्यान ये रखना कि ये डिस्टेंस R है, ये डिस्टेंस 2R है, ठीक है। दिस इज R, दैट इज 2R ओवर हियर। इसको ध्यान में रखते हुए करना। लुक एट व्हाट द फॉर्मूला फॉर पोटेंशियल इज, व्हाट द फॉर्मूला और फील्ड इज। ये एक्सियल लाइन हो गया, ये इक्वेटोरियल लाइन हो गया, दोनों में फॉर्मूलाज अलग है, ठीक है, दोनों में फॉर्मूलाज अलग है, ठीक है। 180 पे 99 हो जाएगा। इस बार के पेपर में आई फील थोड़ा सा 180 टू 190 तक पहुंच सकता है, 180 टू 190 तक पहुंच सकता है इस शिफ्ट 2 वाले पेपर में, ठीक है। अगेन डिपेंड्स ऑन द मैथ सेक्शन जैसे बशीर सर ने बताया इट इज मॉडरेट, ठीक है। मैथ सेक्शन पे ही जनरली नीचे आता है, इफ दैट इज लाइक अ एवरेज मॉडरेट लेवल तब वो 190 तक भी छू सकता है, ठीक है। चलो यहां पे सबसे पहले बात करते हैं, हमारा पॉइंट ए पे आई नो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन द एक्सियल लाइन इज 1/4, वो k लिख देते हैं, k इंटू 2p डिवाइडेड बाई r3, ठीक। जबकि आई नो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑन द इक्वेटोरियल लाइन एट पॉइंट b इज इक्वल टू जस्ट kp डिवाइडेड बाई r3, लेकिन यहां पे r3 में लगेगा 2r3 लगेगा, जिसकी वजह से दिस विल बी kp बाई 8r3, ठीक। और यहां पे क्या दिया हुआ है, E जो दिया हुआ है उसी को बताया गया है E0, तो उसके बेसिस पे kp बाई r3 इज E0 बाई 2, तो kp बाई r3 में मैं E0 बाई 2 बिठा देता हूं, नीचे एक और 8 का 8 रह गया, सो इट बिकम्स E0 बाई 16, दैट इज EB, ठीक है। Yes, axis पे it is double of the equatorial plane, correct? मेरी शेट्टी 64 आए हैं। अथर्व आज लास्ट डे फिक्स करने की कोशिश मत करो, मैंने कुछ दिनों पहले एक सेशन लिया था कि आपको लास्ट डे पे एग्जाम पे क्या करना है टू मैक्सिमाइज योर स्कोर, आप उसको देख लो, अभी आपको एक्स्ट्रा चीजें नहीं पढ़नी है, ठीक है। शिफ्ट 1 आज अगेन इट वाज लाइक इजी टू मॉडरेट लेवल, नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, वही 180 के अराउंड ही आप 99 परसेंटाइल एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो। ठीक है, ये तो आ गया। व्हाट अबाउट द पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट बी? पॉइंट बी इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट है और आपको कैलकुलेट भी नहीं करना पड़ता है। यस, पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट बी इज ऑलवेज जीरो। इक्वेटोरियल लाइन पे पोटेंशियल ऑलवेज स्टेज जीरो। फिजिक्स वाज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, लुक एट इट। बच्चों बताओ, क्या फिजिक्स डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है आपको? फिजिक्स के सवाल क्या आपको डिफिकल्ट लग रहे हैं? kb cos theta by r square, yes that is the potential formula। वहां पे cos theta, थीटा का वैल्यू 90 डिग्री हो गया। ठीक है, yes physics is not that easy, physics is not that difficult, physics काफी easy है। ठीक है, पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट ए रहा वी नॉट, आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट बी चाहिए। हाय प्रेम, वेलकम, स्वागत है। चलो अगले वाले पे चले। देखो कितना फुद्दू सवाल है, आप देखो कि सिंपल आप इक्वेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी लगाते हो आ जाएगा। एग्जैक्टली, एकदम फिजिक्स नोट से आए। अगर आप हमारे यहां पे, चाहे आप आईएल के स्टूडेंट हो या आपने हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल फॉलो किया है, तो आपको जैसे जैसे सवाल कराए गए हैं इवन ऑन दिस चैनल फॉर फ्री, एग्जैक्टली वही लेवल वाले सवाल हैं। हमने पेपर प्रेडिक्टर्स कराए, सब कराए, आप देखो उसके लेवल के बदौलत। सो इसीलिए हमारा इसके बाद हम लोग इवेंचुअली ऑब्वियसली सेकंड शिफ्ट की तैयारी कराते रहेंगे, एडवांस की भी थोड़ी बहुत तैयारी चलती रहेगी। तो आप इन्फिनिटी लर्न जेई चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब्ड रहना जरूर और नोटिफिकेशंस ऑन करना, क्योंकि ये जेई खत्म होने के तुरंत बाद हम सेकंड अटेम्प्ट की दौड़ शुरू कर देंगे। ठीक है, मत डरो। विच हैव श्योर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस इन पेपर, यूनिट्स एंड डिमेंशन से आएगा, आपका करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से आएगा। ठीक है, चलो इसका बताओ, इसका ऑप्शन आंसर आ रहा है 8 बाय पवन। नकुल हैज गॉन फॉर 8, मनोज 8, हेलो सिद्धांत। चलो सॉल्व करना शुरू करते हैं। सिंपल फॉर्मूला इक्वेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी, a1v1 इज इक्वल टू a2v2। बस एरिया किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है? इट इज पाई आर स्क्वायर लगाएंगे तो यहां पे क्या आएगा? पाई इंटू 2r²। स्पीड क्या है उधर? 2 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड, दैट इज इक्वल टू a2 में बस पाई r² इंटू वहां का स्पीड ही मैं निकाल रहा हूं, यही स्पीड मेरे को पूछा गया है v। पाइज हटाओ, r² हटा दो आप, यहां पे रहा तो v इज इक्वल टू यहां पे 2 स्क्वायर 4 इंटू 2, यस इट इज 8 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड। कितना फुद्दू सवाल। ठीक है, सुबह से भी लेवल गिर गया। यस, आप जो जेई वाले बच्चे हो, जो नीट वाले बच्चों को फ्लेक्स करते हो अपना फिजिक्स, वो दिन अब निकल जाने वाले कुछ ही दिनों में। यस करेक्ट। चलो इसका करो। बॉल ऑफ मास 100 ग्राम इज थ्रोन एट द रेट, मतलब वही एट स्पीड 20 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड, एंगल 60 डिग्री विद द हॉरिजॉन्टल, डिक्रीज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ थ्रोइंग ऑफ द बॉल टू द मैक्सिमम हाइट। कितना होगा? 180 में कितना परसेंट? आप ऑलमोस्ट 99 पे हो। अगर किस्मत सही रही तो 99 भी छू जाओगे आप 180 पे। ठीक है, यस पिछले वाले का था ऑप्शन 8। इस पे देखते हैं, एरिया भी दिया था। अरे विशाल जब ऐसा मत बोलो, दिल टूट जाएगा अगर एरिया भी दिया रहा जेई में। 15 कुछ बच्चे, भानु 15, यशवंत 15। चलो करें इसको। 100 मार्क्स इन परसेंटाइल, आप 90 परसेंटाइल के आसपास रहोगे, थोड़ा ऊपर थोड़ा नीचे हो सकता है। चलो यहां पे सीन क्या है? आपका प्रोजेक्टाइल आप लॉन्च कर रहे हो, यहां से आपने फेंका एट 20 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड, भेजा आपने एट 60 डिग्री। आपको यहां पे आप कर सकते हो कि कैसे वैरी कर रहा है, इतना झंझट में जाना ही नहीं है। सवाल आसान किया गया आपको, क्योंकि बताया गया है कि आपको इसके कंपैरिजन में टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट पे चाहिए काइनेटिक एनर्जी। टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट पे आपको पता है कि ये अगर यू रहा आपका और ये आपका थीटा रहा, टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ यू कॉस थीटा बचा रहता है, क्योंकि वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट बिकम 0। ठीक, तो आप यहां से निकाल सकते हो इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या है। इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज हाफ, मास है 100 ग्राम का विच इज 0.1, v स्क्वायर विच इज 20 स्क्वायर, जो कि लगाओ 400, यहां पे काटो 200 के साथ, एक 0 हटाओ, इसको हटाओ, आया 20 जूल्स। ये हो गया काइनेटिक एनर्जी। टॉप मोस्ट पॉइंट पे है यू कॉस थीटा। यू कॉस थीटा कितना होगा? 20 एंड कॉस ऑफ 60 cos 60 होता है हाफ, मतलब 10 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड। 10 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड मतलब फाइनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी कितना आएगा, हाफ। मास हो गया आपका 100 ग्राम का। स्पीड इज 10 स्क्वायर 10 टाइम्स 10। इसको आप हटाओ इसके साथ, ये इसको 5 जूल ले जाएगा, 5 जूल्स। यस, 20 जूल से आपका 5 जूल पे उतर आया। यस, मोस्ट ऑफ यू गॉट इट करेक्ट। यू विल गेट रफली 50, रफली नहीं, क्या रफली बता रहा हूं मैं, द चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज 15 जूल्स। इजी सवाल। लेवल ही ऐसा ही होगा सर। यस, लेवल ज्यादा उठेगा नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूं इस लेवल पे मेंटेन करेंगे, जो भी लेवल है वो मेंटेन करेंगे। पिछले साल बहुत उथल पुथल मचा था एनटीए में, आपको पता है जेई में भी हुआ था, नीट में तो बहुत हंगामा हुआ था। तो उस उथल पुथल की वजह से इस बार चांसेस है कि वो स्टेबलाइज कर देंगे चीज को, लेवल को। ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत इजी बहुत डिफिकल्ट आ जाए, ठीक है। चलो अगले वाले पे चलें। कॉस स्क्वायर क्यों होगा, हाँ कॉस स्क्वायर होगा, मैंने तो ऑलरेडी यू कॉस थीटा ले लिया, फिर लगा दिया ना उसके ऊपर यहां पे स्क्वायर, वहीं पे कॉस, अगर आप यू कॉस थीटा को एज इट इज बिठाते तो वहां पे कॉस स्क्वायर लग जाता, ठीक है। कित्तों का मेरे को चैट में ये बताओ, कित्तों का कल एग्जाम है, शिफ्ट 1 या शिफ्ट 2, एनीवन हियर जिसका कल एग्जाम है? यस, कल भी लाइव होगा। चलो अगले वाले पे चलें, अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं। मीनवाइल मेरे को बताओ कित्तों का कल है। ओके, ईश्वर सरियो, स्नैपी, सारांश, ठीक है। तो सबके लिए एडवाइस यही है कि आज जितने सवाल किए ना, आज रात को तो आप ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा चीजें मत पढ़ो, बस आज जो सवाल आए उनको देख के जाओ। प्लीज नए टॉपिक्स पढ़ने की कोशिश मत करो, कुछ भी हो जाए, आपका शिफ्ट 1 रहे शिफ्ट 2 रहे, डू नॉट रीड न्यू टॉपिक्स, डू नॉट रीड न्यू क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि आपके दिमाग को अभी लगेगा, आप कुछ भी पढ़ोगे ना आपको लगेगा आप भूल चुके हो, वो आप भूले नहीं हो, आपको लगता है आप भूल चुके हो, और वो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस धज्जिया उड़ाएगा। तो प्लीज डू नॉट स्टडी न्यू टॉपिक्स, ये पेपर डिस्कशन देख लो, आप टाइम पे सो जाओ आज, उसके बाद डू नॉट ओवरथिंक। अगर यहां पे लग रहा है ये तो मैं नहीं कर पाया, उसको मैं थोड़ा रिवाइज करता हूं, उसको धक्का मार के घुसेड़ो के दिमाग में, कहीं और से कुछ और निकल जाएगा, आपका दूसरा टॉपिक बाहर निकल जाएगा। तो डोंट पुश इट। अच्छा, इस पे देखते हैं, डायटोमिक गैस गामा 1 CpCv जो होता है, डायटोमिक आपका एडियाबेटिक कांस्टेंट फॉर रिजिड मॉलिक्यूल्स, ठीक है, और गामा 2 CpCv है, लेकिन अब की बार हमने वाइब्रेशनल मोड से लिया हुआ है, तो इसकी वजह से गामा 1 और गामा 2 में कौन सा ज्यादा होगा, कौन सा कम होगा। कुछ बच्चे ऑप्शन ए पे जा रहे हैं, कुछ बी पे जा रहे हैं, कुछ सी पे जा रहे हैं। आप बोलो वाइब्रेशनल मोड आ जाता है तो फर्क कहां पे पड़ता है। वाइब्रेशनल मोड, हर एक वाइब्रेशनल मोड आपको 2 एक्स्ट्रा डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम चिपकाता है, तो मतलब आपने वाइब्रेशनल मोड डाला तो आपका डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम बढ़ गया। अब गामा का आप CpCv के रास्ते भी जा सकते हो, या आपको पता है गामा का वैल्यू होता है 1 + 2/f, 1 + 2/f। अगर आपने डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम बढ़ाए तो आपका ये क्वांटिटी कम हो गया, आपका गामा का वैल्यू डिक्रीज हो गया, तो इसीलिए गामा 2 इज लेस देन गामा 1, इट इज लेस देन गामा 1, इट इज ऑप्शन बी। इवन अगर आप CpCv के रास्ते भी जाओ तो भी आप खुद ही सोच लो ना, एक डाइएटॉमिक के लिए क्या है, नॉर्मली इट इज 7/5, अगर आप 2 बढ़ा दोगे उनमें तो वो चला जाएगा 9/7। आप रेशियो करके ही देखो 5/7 और 7/5 और 9/7 में 7/5 का रेशियो ज्यादा रहेगा, ठीक है। फॉर्मूला रिवाइज भी मैं रेकमेंड नहीं करूंगा, ऐसा नहीं कि आप 1 घंटे में आप पूरा 2 साल का, लेकिन आप जरा सा भी करोगे तो आपको लगेगा कि बाकी चीजें छूट रही हैं, वो एक विशेष साइकिल में फंसा देगा आपका दिमाग खुद को। तो प्लीज बेटा आज नहीं करना है आपको, आप यू स्टिक टू दिस, इनको देखो और फिर आप सो जाओ। आज यही चलेगा हमारा 9 साढ़े 9 बजे तक, देन खाओ पियो, गो टू स्लीप। आ सकते हैं, ऑफकोर्स लास्ट ईयर 2024 में यही तो हुआ था, 2024 में यही तो हुआ था कि शिफ्ट 1 में जो आया शिफ्ट 2 में एग्जैक्टली वही सवाल आ गया था। चलो अगला सवाल इसको बताओ मेरे को, मीनवाइल इसका सवाल मेरे को बताओ, असर्शन रीजनिंग में, असर्शन रीजनिंग इज इट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन, वो भी मेरे को साथ में बताओ, क्या वो करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन भी है। 140 बन रहा है, 140 में शुभजीत आप 93 के अराउंड, 93 94 के अराउंड आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो। करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं 29 को है तो मैं 22 से 28 तक के पेपर का सॉल्यूशन कर लूँ तो मुझे कुछ बेनिफिट मिलेगा। यस यस ऋषिराज, आपको ऑफ कोर्स बेनिफिट मिलेगा, इसीलिए हम कराते हैं पेपर डिस्कशंस। अच्छा देखो, यंग्स डबल स्लिट एक्सपेरिमेंट, फ्रिंज ऑफ रेड कलर इज वाइडर एज कंपेयर टू फ्रिंज ऑफ ब्लू कलर। मतलब किसकी चर्चा की गई है? वाइडर या नैरोअर का मतलब होता है फ्रिंज विथ, और फ्रिंज विथ का फॉर्मूला आता है लैम्डा कैपिटल डी बाई स्मॉल डी। तो आप देखो फ्रिंज विथ डिपेंड करता है लैम्डा पे। रेड कलर के लिए लैम्डा का वैल्यू हाई है, लैम्डा का वैल्यू हाई हुआ तो आपका बीटा का वैल्यू हाई हो गया, मतलब जो फ्रिंजेस है वो फैल गए। तो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट। और अगला वाला तो यही चीज की बात कर रही है कि द फ्रिंज विथ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट। हाँ दिख रहा है बीटा प्रोपोर्शनल टू वेवलेंथ। दिस इज करेक्ट एंड दिस इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ऑप्शन ए। ठीक है, नहीं 29 को हार्ड नहीं होता। रिलैक्स रिलैक्स, उसको ओवरथिंक मत करो बेटा। 29 को हार्ड होगा तो आपका नॉर्मलाइज्ड रैंक ही आएगा, तो उसको लेके आपको नहीं सोचना है, सबके लिए हार्ड होगा वो तब। चलो अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं। ओह सॉरी, मेरी औकात के बाहर निकल गया ये वाला, अब मैथ्स आ गया तो अभी बशीर सर को हैंड ओवर करना पड़ेगा।
थैंक यू।
चलिए सर, टेक इट ओवर।
फाइन सर, थैंक यू सर। सो अनिरुद्ध सर हैज गिवन अ वंडरफुल with a lot of energy and all dear students. Yeah, फिर से मैथ के क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। You see the question that I have brought are definitely, you can say, you will feel very comfortable and very happy because easy questions, and very rarely we see easy questions dear students. Then mostly moderate, not at all difficult, so with little bit of logic dear students. ये देखिए very standard question this is. Perpendicular distance from a point to the line. What an easy question. Yeah. You see, from the point P minus 2, 0, 2 to a line is given. So I told you my dear friends how to find perpendicular distance from point to a line in 3D geometry. It's very simple. Yeah, good evening, Kunal, good evening. Yeah. 165 पर आपको 99 percentile expect कर सकते हैं भैया, no problem. You can expect Sumit 99 percentile. Yeah. Yeah, right. So you try to take the general point in this particular line. This is 2t minus 1. This is minus t plus 1. This is 2t minus 3. This is the general point on the given line. Now you see the given point is minus 2, 0, 2. Now try to find the DRs of this particular line dear students. This is 2t minus 1 plus 2 will become 2t plus 1 minus t plus 1, 2t minus 3 minus 2, 2t minus 5 will be the DRs of this perpendicular line dear students, right? इसके बाद ये line के, ये particular line के DRs क्या है? 2 minus 1, 2 are the DRs of this line. Since they are perpendicular, you can take the dot product 0. This is 4t plus 2 plus, you can say, minus 1 into this will become t minus 1 plus 4t minus 10. This sum must be 0 because they are perpendicular, right dear students? Now you see 4t, 8t plus t will become 9t. Then you see this is 11 minus 2 will become 9. So therefore you will get t is equal to 1, right? When t is equal to 1 dear students, ये point क्या होता है? He is asking the perpendicular distance. When t is equal to 1, this point becomes 1, this is 0 and this is going to be minus 1. So find the distance between these 2 points dear students. This is going to be 3 square 9 plus 0 plus 9 root 18 dear students. Correct? Right dear students? Yeah. So 3 root 2 will be the answer dear students. Root 18. Okay. 3 root 2 will be the answer. So dear students, yes, you are perfect. 3 root 2 is the answer. So it's a simple standard question, कुछ भी नहीं, NCERT level question है, board exam level question है, it's a very expected question. I've been telling you 3D geometry से एक question definitely आएगा. We got the question here in 3D geometry, right dear students? Okay, yeah. So right, okay. Next question देखिए, the area between the curves are standard. You see y, this is nothing but y is equal to x minus 2 whole square है. Second curve you see y square is equal to 16 minus 8x. I am worried here because I could not apply the shortcut. Both the equations, if they are in quadratic form in the same variable, I can subtract and apply the shortcut. यहाँ पे shortcut apply कर नहीं सकते. Don't worry. यहाँ पे देखिए dear students, you try to draw the graphs of these. First one is x minus 2 whole square. At 2 it will have x square kind of graph. Second one, this is y square, actually this is minus 8 into x minus 2 hai. माने it's a right parabola at 2 comma 0. So interesting point is इसका right parabola होता है. Try to solve these two equation my dear friends. For the first equation, y square means x minus 2 whole power 4 is nothing but 16 minus 8x. ये क्या है? Yeah, you can take 8 common so that you will get 2 minus x minus 2 equal to 0, means 2 comma 0 one of the roots है, x value 2, this is one of the points of intersection. Second point of intersection, अब अगर आप observe करते हैं तो अगर x 0 होता है 16 16 मिलता है. So a point x 0 and y is going to be 4. These are the 2 points of intersection. Up the early you identify these are the point of intersection, you can save time. If you could not identify this, yeah, it takes time my dear friends. Now you have to find the area between these two. Now this is nothing but you can take the area on x-axis, integral 0 to 2, upper curve is the parabola. Parabola क्या है? Root of 16 minus 8x होता है, minus lower curve is this parabola, this is y is nothing but x minus 2 whole square dx होता है. ये इंटीग्रेट आप सॉल्व कीजिए, you will get the answer to be 8/3 around. Okay, इंटीग्रल आप कर सकते हैं, right dear students? I think I no need to solve this. आपको सॉल्व करना है क्या? Dear students, tomorrow exam hard or not? Tomorrow exam will be easy. Physics easy, chemistry easy, math moderate, right? Don't worry, relax. So ये दो पेपर देखने के बाद हमें ये इंसाइट मिलता है कि ऑलमोस्ट 2025 मेंस पेपर्स भी 2024 जैसे ही होने वाला है, इतना तक मैं बोल सकता हूँ. सो एक्सट्रीमली डिफिकल्ट या एक्सट्रीमली इजी मे भी हो सकता है एक दो पेपर, बट जनरली वी आर गोइंग टू गेट ऐसे ही पेपर आने वाले हैं जैसे आप 2024 में लिखे थे. सो इसके बराबर चेक कर लो, इसके बराबर वो वेटेज के बराबर ही आप प्लान कर लो, राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स. एंड टुमारोज फर्स्ट सेक्शन विल बी लाइक दिस ओनली. फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड सिंपल क्वेश्चंस, most of the time simple question. Math will be time taking, so that is the same formula that is followed for the past 3 years. Even 2025 papers, 2 session 2 papers में भी वही देखे थे हम, वही देखने को मिला है हमें, वही होगा, right dear students? समझे ना? चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. दिस सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस, 3 equations in 3 variables has infinitely many solutions. Find 7a plus 3b value. Right, शिवाजी क्या चाहिए बताइए? Tell me what do you want, शिवाजी? Yeah, those who have given the exam today, yeah, tomorrow evening exam hard or not? Tomorrow evening exam will also be easy, don't worry. Your paper will be easy, be comfortable, you be confident, just whatever you have prepared that is enough. Fill your thoughts with positive thought process, you can try dear students. Okay, chalo, these 3 questions has infinitely many solutions. You can apply Cramer's rule, that is if they have infinitely many solutions, first det 1 1 2 2 3a and -1 -3b, this det must be 0, as well as आप ये भी रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं 1 2 -1 1 3 -3. थर्ड कॉलम ए लगा रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं कि 6a plus 1 2b. So you just apply these 2 determinants equal to 0. Yeah, very good. So now dear students, अगर after applying this my dear friends, you will get a plus b value to be, you just expand these determinants, you will get a plus b is equal to 8 and 2a plus b is equal to 10. You will get these 2 equations dear students. From this you will get a value -2, b value 10 मिलेगा आपको, right? So just I want to save your time, so I am giving the direct conclusions dear students. So he is asking us to find 7a plus 3b. 7a will become -14, 3b will become 30, so the answer will be 16 my dear friends. Clear everyone? Yeah, 24th exam, any suggestions? Yes. 24th means, and tomorrow also we'll have papers, Based on that, I will definitely give better insights because we'll get 4 papers over this, right? But one thing I can say that out of these 6 papers, 22, 23, 24, 6 papers, one paper is going to be very, very easy. One paper is going to be comparatively tough. I guess it's my personal view, my dear friends. So this is my personal prediction. So dear students, so plan accordingly. If your paper is difficult, feel very, very happy because the paper is difficult. So you are the performance that you give, every question counts. Definitely you will get better percentile for little efforts, dear students. Right, next you see this question, the total number of terms in an AP is 2k, the total is 2k, the sum of odd terms is 40, and the sum of even terms is 55, the last term of the AP exceeds the first term by 27, you see, then find the value of k. Absolutely, Rishi, you are absolutely correct. You see, dear students, suppose there are even number of terms, for example 8 terms, suppose you see T1, T3, T5, T7, sum of odd terms, T2, T4, T6, T8, sum of even terms. This sum is given. The difference of second minus first will give you this difference D, 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 D. You will get 4 D's. In this particular problem, he has given there are 2k terms. So k odd number of terms, k even number of terms. If you take this difference, you will get k times the difference, common difference, which is going to be, dear students, 55 minus 40, this is 15, is the first equation. Second equation, dear students, the last term exceeds AP. Last term, suppose he has given 2k terms, no, that is A plus 2k minus 1 into D minus A. This value is given as 27, my dear friends. That is 2kd minus D will become 27. 2k is already 15. You can say this 15d, right, my dear friends. Kd, he has given kd is 15. 2kd will become 30. So D will become 3, my dear friends. Okay. If D is 3, dear students, what is A? So you can also find K. If D is 3, K value is 5. So he is asking us to find the value of K. K is 5, right, dear students? Check the calculation, You see, the total number of terms in the AP are 2k, like 10, like that. Suppose 10 terms are there. The sum of odd terms is 40, sum of even terms is 55, dear students. Okay. Yeah. So 55 minus 40, if you do, my dear friends, that means how many k times D you will get 15. So kd will be 15, and the last term exceeds the first term means A plus 2k minus 1d minus A 2k minus 1 into D will become 27. That is 2kd minus D is 27. 2kd is 15 means this is 30. D value is 3, my dear friends. Okay. So if D is 3, you put here K value is to be 5, dear students, right? Yeah. Next, dear students, the next question. Yeah, there must be. So once Sarfaraz sir comes, automatically slides will change by default. So that means after this question, Sarfaraz sir came in the sense. Yeah.
I came off, Bashir sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you all
sir.
of you all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, dear students, I'll come with a few more questions, right? Yeah. Fine, sir.
One student is
Sir.
asking
Sir.
online
Okay.
that tomorrow's questions paper will be hard or easy. How can I tell?
I can say, sir.
Tell please.
It's easy. Easy.
Yes.
Be comfortable, relax.
Easy to moderate.
For them, it will be easy, sir.
Yes.
Nothing
And
to
obviously,
worry.
if you are prepared well, it will be easy only.
Comfortably.
Yes.
Since they are following Infinity Learn, definitely they will get
Yes,
wonderful
yes.
insights. So the paper will be easy.
No problem, Devansh. No issue. So let me continue.
Yeah.
The
Please, sir,
chemistry
please
part.
continue. Right. Okay. Fine.
Right. So dear students, these questions are good questions. Compared to my earlier questions, they were very, very, very easy, very, very cheap question, very cheap question, very cheap question, very cheap question. These questions are a bit standard ones. Okay. So let us start. So here you can see RBR in magnesium in dry ether gives, in water gives 2 methyl. This is spelling mistake here. So it's okay. 2-methyl butane. So now he is asking you the how many possible products. So all of you, first of all, let us try to understand what is happening here. So when you take RBr and treat with Grignard in dry ether as solvent, you will get Grignard, that is RMgX, correct? Now if you try to treat with water, that is hydrolysis. So water will provide H plus, and hence you are going to get the corresponding product. Please give me thumbs up. This is the concept and background of the question. This is the concept and background of the question. Now he is asking to give this butane how many possible Grignards you can prepare. So simple, how many possible, the maximum number of RBr producing 2-methyl butane. So dear students, 2-methyl butane from Grignard. Okay, so hence you can write Br here. 1 minute, I will not do like this. 1 second. Right. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So RBr means I will try to change the color and I will write bromine here. So Grignard can form here and there only hydrogen can come. Second, Br can be here. Grignard will form there itself and hydrogen can come there. Then Br can come here and then Br can come here. These are the 4 possible products. If you speak structural, listen very carefully. If you speak about structural, but since in the question there is no mention of stereoisomers including, he didn't mention anywhere stereoisomers, so 4 is the answer. But suppose he asks you including stereo, then obviously this is chiral carbon, it becomes 5, right? So however, as per the given option by my student, answer is 4 is the answer. Please come on, give me thumbs up everyone. Is it clear? Is it clear everyone? So I repeat, if he says including stereo, then this is having here you can see chiral carbon, here you can see chiral carbon, 2 to 4, 5, 6 it will become. Okay, structural asked, 4 is the straightforward answer. Thank you. Okay, chalo, very good. Now moving ahead to next question. Identify the number of structures. How many of you have done this correct before only tell me the answer? Come on, tell me the answer. How many of you have done this correct? Any guesses? Okay, meanwhile till you do the guessing work, I will draw the structure of D-glyceraldehyde. I will draw the structure of D-glyceraldehyde, right? I will draw the structure of D-glyceraldehyde till you prepare. Okay, ready? Now everybody can see that this is actually CH2OH. Everybody can see this is CH2OH. This one if you see, this is also CH2OH. Am I right? So everybody can see in D-glyceraldehyde, OH is right hand side. Can you see here? That means this must be the derivative of D-glyceraldehyde and this must be the derivative of D-glyceraldehyde. Am I right? Everyone give me thumbs up. Is this clear? So remember, D series means the bottommost chiral carbon. The bottommost chiral carbon will have orientation of OH. This is called D series. This is the D series, correct? At the bottommost chiral carbon, it will be OH right hand side. My marks are less than cutoff. Don't take tension. Joshi, be cool, be relaxed, be chill. Keep studying and start planning for April session very seriously and very dedicatedly. Is it clear? So answer is obviously only A and B are having D configurations. These two are having L configurations, right? So answer is only 2. Hence answer will be, for this answer will be option A. Which of the following anion? Anybody can tell me the answer? Same model of question came in JEE 2024. In JEE 2024, same model of questions already appeared. So this is, according to me, this is like a repetitive question for me. Okay. Oh, thank you, Arjun. So which of the following anion will not undergo disproportionation reaction? Disproportionation reaction means what is the concept behind it? What is the concept behind it? Under it, if the oxidation state is midway, if the oxidation state is average, yes or no? Average in the sense moderate, then it can go higher and lower. Example, if chlorine is +1, it can become +5 or it can become 0 or it can become minus. If chlorine is +5, it can become +7 and it can become even down +3 it can become. But if chlorine is +7, it cannot undergo disproportionation reaction, it can only undergo reduction reactions. So everybody can see that in this, I will change the color of the pen. In this anion, the chlorine is +7, here chlorine is +5, here this is +3 and this is +1. +1 no? X, yeah. So this is right? Right. Correct, right? So everybody can see answer is option 1. Am I right? Maximum oxidation state +7 cannot become +8, +9, +10. Wrong. Only it has to get reduction. Hence, answer is anybody in maximum, please note down. Those who are writing for exam tomorrow, any maximum oxidation state never undergoes disproportionation reaction. Okay? Chalo. Very good. This is very easy question. Very cheap question. Very easy question. Okay? That is, everybody, if you remember NCERT, this reaction, chromyl chloride attard reaction, preparation of the intermediate comes which on hydrolysis, which will give you benzaldehyde. Is it true or false? Everybody tell me. It is attard type of reaction in chemistry. The intermediate which you can see A will be chromyl chloride intermediate, which on hydrolysis will have OH and which will lose water further. Few more intermediates will come. I do not want to show that, but this will lose water. This will give benzaldehyde. Right? Right? So dear students, now this is very easy. This is sodium bisulfite addition product, and this will be a white PPT which you are going to get. So everybody know that this is Na plus HSO4 minus, this will attack here and this is going to shift there. Hence everybody tell me, this O negative will pick up proton. Hence answer here will be option B. This is the sodium salt. Right? So this is preparation of aldehyde. This is nucleophilic addition of aldehyde. Okay, maybe. Right, so please check it once. Right, all of you all got it? Preparation of aldehyde and chemical property of aldehyde. Right, good. Got it? Next, very what shall I tell you about this question? No, I don't want to talk on this question. I don't want to talk on this question. Everybody know this question. Okay? Joshi prepare general organic chemistry now. Yes or no? Tell me. Everybody tell me. Tell me. Lassen's test is used for detection of nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur and halogens. Is this true? 100% true. Everybody agree? 100% true. Next, Lassen's test is made up of magnesium metal. No. Which metal do we use, my dear students? The metal which is used in Lassen's is what? Sodium metal. So statement 1 is obviously correct. Statement 2 is 100% wrong. I think this was a very easy question of your JEE examination, right? I think this question blindly you have ticked it. Cool, chill, just direct, straightforward. You have done correct. Next. So next subject one, next teacher is going to come. So I request the next teacher to join the class within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. So meanwhile, so the number of sum of electrons present in d electrons of ruthenium and niobium. So everybody, if you see, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Okay, here you will get here. If you stop here, here you can see, if I stop it here, then ruthenium, if you see, you are going to get 4d7 and 5s1, and niobium, here you are going to get 4d4 and this is 5s1 you are going to get. And please everybody know better than me that they are crossing d and coming. 4d they asked, huh? Okay. If they ask 4d, if they ask only 4d, suppose they ask only 4d, then you can see it is 4 plus 7, it is 11. Suppose they asked total d, suppose they asked total d electrons, then they are crossing 3d and coming, yes or no? Yes or no? So 3d electrons will be 10 here, and this will also have 3d electrons 10 here. Am I right? Right? So therefore 14 no? Yeah, 14 and there 17, 3, 6, yeah. So 14 plus 17 it will come. So what was the question, dear students, in examination? Okay, tell me, what was the question in examination? Total D or 4D? I don't know, please. Marvelous, what is the question? I have not seen your question. So, I don't know. Did he ask total D? If total D, this is the answer. If he has only 4D, this is the answer that you have to check. Okay? Okay, only 4D and then that is fine then. Right? Only one second. One second please. Okay, so this was the question. Okay. So now dear students, those are just a small 1 minute break. I will continue the class. Those who are preparing for tomorrow's session, if anybody is coming for tomorrow's session, then I would like to say to all of them, please prepare general organic nicely. Please, general organic you prepare, and sorry, 1 second. I think I went to some wrong slide. 1 second please. Yeah, sorry. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay. So those who are preparing for tomorrow's exam, just 1 minute. I am leaving. Sir is coming. Those who are preparing for tomorrow's exam, I would like to say 4 chapters you study and go for tomorrow's exam: chemical bonding, periodic classification, general organic chemistry, and complex compounds. These 4 you revise and come. Don't study anything other than that, because time is also not there and it is not practically possible also. Is it clear? So thank you. I welcome my colleague Bashir sir. Right. Please continue the class.
Sir ji.
Thank you Bashir sir.
Yes. Yeah, dear students. So once again, let us continue math questions. Right, dear students. Marvelous, Rathod. Yeah, you see this question, permutation combination based question. Yeah, so once again, I tell you, dear students, we didn't get difficult questions, bit lengthy questions here and there. Right, dear students? Yeah, Pritam. Yeah, you see permutation combination question. There are 3 girls and 4 boys. Right, number of ways of arrangement. If all girls stand together and all boys stand together in a line such that boys B1 and B2 from the group are not adjacent. Right. Yeah, dear students. So all together there are, I can say, dear students, we'll go with this. Right. There are 3 girls and 4 boys. Right. Fine. We have to arrange 7 of them in a row such a way that all girls should be together, so group, all boys should be together, right? But boys B1 and B2, there is a restriction such that, yeah, right. So B1 and B2 should not be adjacent. That's it, dear students. So first we'll do one thing. Suppose boys and girls together, two different groups, we can arrange in 2 factorial ways. Then try to arrange boys and girls. Girls can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Now in how many ways you can arrange boys, my dear friends? 4 boys are to be arranged in the sense, but suppose there are boy 1, 2, 3, 4. They can be arranged actually 4 factorial ways minus remove the case where B1 and B2 are together. If they are together, my dear friends, 3 members we have to arrange in 3 factorial into 2 factorial, right? So boys can be arranged in these many ways. Once again, dear students, so total we have to arrange all girls together, all boys together, but B1, B2 should not be together. That is the point. So 2 groups you can arrange in 2 factorial. Yeah, 2 factorial, and girls can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Now boys instead of 4 factorial minus the cases where B1, B2 are together, minus suppose if they are together, dear student, 3 factorial into 2 factorial. You just compute it, 2 into 6 into, this is 24 minus 12, it will be 12, my dear friends, right? This is going to give you the answer, dear students, right? Yeah, 144 would be the answer. Simple question, easy question. Permutation combination topic is so lengthy, but what an easy question given, dear students. So generally we assume that permutation combination is very difficult. I've been telling you question from permutation combinations is reachable, but the questions in sequence and series, or I can say sometimes in set theory relations related to permutation combinations are bit difficult rather the direct questions, dear students. Next you see this question, dear students. Here you see alpha, beta, gamma, delta be the coefficients of x power 7, x power 5, x cube, x respectively in the expansion of these two, dear student. Binomial theorem expansion. Yes, x greater than 1. UV satisfy the equations. Just you need to find alpha, beta, gamma, delta first, my dear friends. Once you find this, you will get 2 linear equations in 2 variables and you need to solve this, my dear friends. Okay, for that, dear students, how to simplify this in this expansion? It is like a plus b whole power 5 plus a minus b whole power 5. You will get twice of, what will you get, my dear friends? So when you write a plus b whole power 5, a minus b whole power 5, second term gets cancelled. First term will be 5c0 x power 5 into root of x cube minus 1 whole power 0 plus 5c2, that is x cube, my dear friends, into its square you will get x cube minus 1 plus 5c4, this x to the power of 5 minus 4 into x cube minus 1 whole square power 4, in the sense x cube minus 1 whole square you are going to get, my dear friends. Clear? So with this, my dear friends, yes, you just take binomial theorem expansion, a plus b whole power 5 plus a minus b whole power 5 expansion, dear students, automatically you will get second term, fourth term gets cancelled and 5 terms will be 6 terms. Out of 6 terms you will get 3 terms get cancelled. Now you just need to catch, you see here this is 2 times 5c0 is 1 x power 5, this is 5c2 is 10 x cube into, this is, my dear friends, x cube minus 1, this is 10 x power 6 minus 10 x cube plus 5c4 is 5, my dear friends, this is 5x into, this is x power 6 minus 2x cube plus 1, dear students. Now you just try to find x power 7 coefficient is only here 5, which is going to be alpha, so alpha value is 5. Then you want x power 5 coefficient, my dear friends. Here you got x power 5 coefficient, in other places you won't get, yeah, x power 5, so beta is nothing but, you can say 2, my dear friends. Then x cube coefficient you got here minus 10 and minus 10, 20, my dear friends. Minus 20 is going to be gamma, yeah, 20 not 10, which one, dear students? 5c2 into 2, right? This is 5c0, it is 2, Yes, you are correct. 2 into 10, 20. This is, you can also write, this is 2 into, also here you will get 2 into 10. This is 5C2 into 2 is there, my dear students. I mean to say this is 2, this is 20, this is also 20, this is 10, my dear friends. Accordingly, you change Ayush. Yeah, accordingly you change alpha is equal to 5, beta is nothing but x power 5 coefficient, which is going to be, you can say, my dear friends, yeah, you have to find x power 5, x power 7 coefficient is here, which is, you can say, 2 5s are 10. Accordingly, you can change here, dear students, alpha, beta, gamma values. You just note and write the thing. This is all simplification only, dear students. So x power 7 coefficient is going to be 10 here. I can write, yeah, dear students. Now you can write what is x power 7 coefficient, dear students. This is 10. X power 5 coefficient, it is going to be here 2, and then any other place we are having, this is 2, dear students. X power 5 coefficient we are not having any other place. Then x cube coefficient, you can write minus 20 here, and this is, you can say, 10 minus 20 it is. Similarly, delta also you will get, my dear friends. Automatical delta is going to be x coefficient, and you are going to get x coefficient here only 10, my dear friends. You know alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, yeah. So this is, dear students, once you know this, dear students, I mean to say, this is x power 5 coefficient I am asking about. X power 5 coefficient is there. I mean to say x cube coefficient. You are having here one more x cube term, right? So this is why you will get x cube quotient. Yeah. Gamma part, gamma is nothing but x cube coefficient. X cube coefficient 2 into 10. This is one term is there here. This is x cube into x minus 1, right? And another one here also you will get x power 6 minus 2x cube plus 1 you are going to get, right, dear students? Now, yeah. So dear students, after this, just you find out these, use just substitute alpha, beta, gamma, delta values. You will get two linear equations in two variables. You just solve it, you will get u plus v value. I guess you will get phi value. Okay, just note the this and note the calculations and all accordingly, right, dear students? Next, you see this question. A, B are two events such that P of A intersection B is 0.1. So you see P of A intersection B is given. Now P of A given B and B given A are the roots of this particular equation. And what are the roots of this equation? You know, this is 12, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 are the roots of this. One of them you take it as P of A given B, other is P of B given A, my dear friends. Suppose P of A given B is 1 by 3 and P of B given A is nothing but 1 by 4, dear students. The next we want, you see, P from this P of A intersection B is 0.1 by P of B is 1 by 3, my dear friends. So P of B from which you will get, this is, you can say P of B is nothing but 3 into 0.1, 0.3 which is 3 by 10, and similarly P of A intersection B 0.1 by P of A is 1 by 4. So P of A will become 0.4 which is 4 by 10. So you know P of A, P of B, my dear friends. Now he is asking us to simplify this particular calculation. P of A bar union B bar by P of A bar intersection B bar. How to calculate? This is 1 minus P of A intersection B by this is 1 minus P of, you see this is A union B whole bar, P of A union B, my dear friends. Now A intersection B is already 0.1, so this is 0.9 divided by 1 minus P of A union B is going to be, dear students, P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Yes sir. Okay. P of A plus P of B, you will get 7 by 10, 4 by 10 plus 7 by 10 minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 10. So finally, dear students, 0.9 divided by, this is going to be, yeah, you will get the answer. This is 3 by 10, right? 3 by 10, 4 by 10 which is 7 by 10 minus 1 is going to be 6 by 10. So you are going to get 0.6, dear students. Okay. Yeah. So dear students, which is going to be, you will get 9 by 6, 3 by 2 you will get. Okay. So calculation part you check carefully, you will get the answer, dear students. The next electron is moving, so sir has come. Okay, right? Sir, please do come, Ravindram sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. So there are a few more questions in physics that we have received, and now I'm going to discuss those questions. So kindly participate with me, solve these questions with me, and let's see, are you getting your right answer or not? Okay. Perfect. So as we can see in the question, an electron is moving. Yes, an electron is moving in a magnetic field B in a circular orbit. Assume Bohr's quantization to be valid. So whenever they say this line in the question, Bohr's quantization to be valid, that means they are asking you to use this concept, MVR is equals to NH upon 2 pi. This is quantization principle, which is angular momentum conservation principle also we can say. Okay, this is one thing. Swastik, I am good. Okay, now find the radius of orbit in first excited state. अब अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे first excited state की बात हो रही है, मतलब यहाँ सीधे second hint आपका n is equals to 2 है, तब n equals to 1 हो जाता है आपका ground state, n equals to 2 हो जाती है आपकी first excited state. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ नहीं, यहाँ पर है. ठीक है, ये दो पॉइंट तो समझ आ गए. अब उसने पहले बोला कि मूविंग इन अ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. अच्छा, तो जो सर्कुलर पाथ मिल रहा है इलेक्ट्रॉन का, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. यस आयुष, बिल्कुल सही आंसर सी 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 है. ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है. इतनी बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट वेरी गुड, दैट शोज योर कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, तो यहां से बात आगे बढ़ाते हैं. हमको पता है यहाँ पर रेडियस का फॉर्मूला कितना होता है, तो ऐसे बोलेंगे mv स्क्वायर बाय r इज इक्वल्स टू qvb. ठीक है, यहाँ पे q e के बराबर है, एक v कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो mv बाय r इज इक्वल्स टू eb लिख सकते हैं. चार्ज किसका, इलेक्ट्रॉन का, e हो जाएगा. यहां से आप ऐसा करिए, mvr ऊपर लिख के नीचे r स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, eb. हमने r से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड कर दिया इस इक्वेशन को. क्या यहां तक सबको क्लियर है? आई होप इट इज क्लियर एवरीबॉडी. ओके, नाउ mvr is what? nh upon 2 pi. We will put it there. Okay, now it is nh upon 2 pi r square is equals to eb. Everybody, is it visible? So mvr is nh upon 2 pi. Now let's put the value of n is 2 because it is the first excited state. Yes or no? तो n की वैल्यू 2 पुट करते ही h कितना हो गया आपका, सॉरी h बाय पाई आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ई बी. ओके, ने पूछा क्या है हमसे, पूछा गया है रेडियस. तो रेडियस कितना हो जाएगा, रूट ओवर h बाय पाई ई बी, जो कि ऑप्शन सी है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर एवरीबॉडी. सो आप देख रहे होंगे कि शिफ्ट 1 का पेपर तो इजी, बिल्कुल इजी नहीं था. ओके, स्लाइटली मॉडरेट था फिजिक्स का पेपर, बट जो सेकंड शिफ्ट का आज का पेपर आया है, दैट इज वेरी इजी. ओके, तो ये काफी क्रूशियल चीज हमको पता चल रही है. वी आर गेटिंग टू नो वेरी क्रूशियल फैक्ट दैट द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर कमिंग आर वेरी मच सिमिलर टू द PYQs. ओके, सो those who have their exams like from tomorrow or day after tomorrow in the coming sessions, make sure you do not skip any PYQ. Okay, make sure you do not skip any PYQ, and all the questions, all the formulas should be well taken care of by you. So I hope it is clear how to solve this question. So let's move on to the next question that we have today. This is mathematics. Yes, so this is from alternating current, and this is very easy. See students, we all know that in resonance, okay, when I am talking about resonance, we say that impedance is equal to resistance. Why? Because omega L is equal to omega C. This thing we know. So what is amplitude of the current? Peak value of the current is E naught by Z, which is E naught by R. Okay, So basically the peak value of the current or amplitude of the current is inversely proportional to the resistance here. Now let's read the question. In an LCR circuit, the current amplitude at resonance is I, okay, or let's say I naught, whatever. If the value of the resistance is doubled, then find the new current amplitude. It's very simple. Current is inversely proportional to R. If you double the resistance, current will be half. Yes or no? So it would be 2R. So it is nothing but I naught by 2 or I by 2. Clear? So which option is correct? Option B. Are you getting this? Yes, yes, yes. अबे इसमें भी C बोल रहे हो? नहीं नहीं, इसमें तो B होगा ना, रेजिस्टेंस के इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है, राइट? चलो, वेरी गुड गाइज, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. So let's move on to the next. This question is very good. Okay. So if you remember the formula, then it's very easy for you. Otherwise, you can derive it instantaneously. There is no problem. Find the angular speed of the cylinder if of length L if the force exerted by the ideal fluid of mass 2m on the outer face of the cylinder is F. Here the diagram is missing, so I'll draw the diagram for you. This is the cylinder, okay. It is being rotated like this with angular speed omega, let's say, and we need to find out this value. Okay, cool. Now the length L is given here and the mass of the fluid which is inside this container is 2m, right? This container is completely closed. Obviously, what will happen? The liquid will have a tendency to move out. Once you start rotating it, it will have a tendency to move out, because of which there will be force on this particular end, okay. So what will happen? The normal force applied by this end on the liquid which is inside, will provide the necessary centripetal acceleration for this fluid to remain in the circular path. क्या ये clear है बात? है ना, ये बड़ा सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. तो आप जितना ज्यादा जोर से घुमाओगे उतना ज्यादा यहाँ नॉर्मल बढ़ जाएगा, ताकि इसको सेंट्रिपेटल एक्सेलरेशन रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट में प्रोवाइड कर सके, सो दैट इट कैन keep on moving in the circular track or circular path. I hope it is clear. Now we have to find out this value f. Achha, they have given this value f, so obviously we have to find out f in terms of mass and length and omega, so that we can get the value of omega at the end, right? So simple question, let's do it. So what we will do, let's go to a distance r, okay, and take a small element of liquid whose width is dr, mass is dm, okay. Now what will happen? This particular portion will experience force like this, since it is accelerated with certain acceleration which is omega square r, and who is providing this acceleration? C. One force F will be here and another force F plus dF will be here. Is it clear? Right. So we will say that this dF is equals to dm into centripetal acceleration. Is it clear, everybody? Please respond in the chat box, okay? Okay. So here we will say that, let's start integrating. See, here the force will be 0, right? Here the force will be 0. Here the force will be equal to capital N or capital F, they have already given. So we'll integrate both sides, but before that we need to find out what is the value of dm. So dm will be total mass upon total length into dr. Okay, simply you can say unitary method also. So 2m by L into dr will be the mass dm. Now we can put it here. So df would be 2m by L into centripetal acceleration is omega square r dr, right? Now we can integrate it from r equal to 0 to r equals to L, and from f is equals to 0 to capital F, right? Let's do the integration here, students, and this will be f is equal to 2m by L, right, into omega square into This will be r square by 2. Put the value of length over there. It will be L square by 2. Okay. So 2, 2 and 1 L will get cancelled. So F would be m omega square L. Is it clearly visible to everybody? This will cancel. It will be m omega square L. From here, omega would be F by ml under root. Got it? Okay. So I guess this is the end of the questions today, right? So those who are having their exams tomorrow, all the best. Okay, all the best for your exam tomorrow. And one very important thing I would like to share to everyone is, do not panic in your examination hall. Okay, do not panic, just solve the questions easily. Okay, yes, one good information that we have some more mathematics question and Bashir sir is back. Sir, aa jaiye. Okay, so guys, what I was saying is, don't panic in examination hall. आराम से करना. अगर बैक टू बैक 2-3 क्वेश्चन गलत भी हो रहे हैं या नहीं बन रहे हैं, पैनिक नहीं करना. जो बन रहा है उसको अटेम्प्ट करो, वहां से कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करो और वापस से अपने क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करो.
सर बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछ रहे हैं सर कैसा है आज का फिजिक्स पेपर ओवरऑल, क्या बोलते हैं?
आज का फिजिक्स का पेपर शिफ्ट 1 का मैं कहूंगा स्लाइटली मॉडरेट था, बट शिफ्ट 2 वाज वेरी इजी एज पर द क्वेश्चंस दैट वी हैव गॉट सो फार.
वंडरफुल सर.
Okay.
और ऐसा है कल के पेपर आपका थोड़ा प्रेडिक्शन दे सकते हैं क्या? दे दिए ऑलरेडी?
मैंने अभी सबको यही बोला सर, PYQs आर मोर इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज PYQs से रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट्स ही आ रहे हैं, उससे आसपास है, बहुत ज्यादा जंप नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो मेक श्योर यू प्रिपेयर योर PYQs प्रॉपरली एंड ऑल द फॉर्मूले आर टेकन केयर ऑफ. ओके,
हमारे बच्चे आपके लिए बहुत से इंतजार कर रहे थे एक्चुअली तुम्हारे इंसाइट के लिए, राइट डियर स्टूडेंट्स?
yes we'll have a discussion as well with the students of us. Okay, thank you sir, please continue.
Fine sir, fine.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah dear students, back to math part again. So physics, chemistry sources all are very easy questions. Physics sources, physics part is also very easy. Why not math also easy, but of course little bit moderate. Okay, so paper में थोड़ा weight तो होना चाहिए, right? Yes dear students. Yeah, thank you very much Karishma. Yes, yeah dear students, this question I am just going to give you the idea dear students. Simple. So integral e power x into, this question seems to be very big, right? In fact, integral e power x related whenever question comes, yeah Swastik Sen, yeah, thank you very much. Let's go. Yeah, whenever integral e power x is given, the basic idea that you have to get is integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x, right? So this is the basic question my dear friends. Integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x is going to be simple e power x f of x. Just आपको ये देखना है यहाँ पे f of x क्या है. yes f of x क्या है? अगर if you take this function as f of x, its derivative is waiting here dear students. That is very simple. Yeah dear students, all of you give thumbs up once. Come on, thumbs up once, all of you, come on. A beautiful question, standard question. मैथ में indefinite integral में standard questions थोड़ी ही आते हैं. So dear students, come on, thumbs up, energy, come on. Yes dear students, ये क्या है? definite indefinite integral में most of the times we get bit lengthy and time taking questions. I'm very happy to see this wonderful question here because this question is so simple. From indefinite integration, you just take this function, its derivative will be this my dear friends. So to save your time, I'm not solving this. So your answer is going to be e power x into f of x क्या है? This is x sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square plus c होता है. यहाँ पे दिया गया है g of x plus c. So this g of x is nothing but this my dear friends. So here I'd like to put a part. Of course you can take this g of x, but I can say there is a little bit of ambiguity in this question, because why can't I take this plus 1 plus nu c, this plus 2 plus c? That possibility is there. So question should not be like this. Of course it is given. Let us assume this part is going to be the integral g of x. He wants g of 1 by 2 dear students. If you want g of 1 by 2, put x is 1 by 2. You will get e power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into sine inverse 1 by 2 will become pi by 6 by 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, which is root 3 by 2, my dear friends. You are going to get e power 1 by 2, that is root e into pi by 6 by root 3. Root e by root 3, option B is going to be the right answer. I appreciate the dear students who have done wonderfully well this question. So most of you, I think, very happy. Most of you are giving answer as B. That is really appreciable because it is the standard question from indefinite integral, dear students. Next, coming to this question, the basic fundamental point, whenever you see variable as limited to a definite integral problem, the simple thing that you need to recall is Leibniz formula, right, dear students? Yes, yes, yes. So all of you cheer up, dear students. Math wonderful questions are here. The clue is here itself, dear students. Yeah, the clue is here, dear students. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, coming back to, yeah, so once again for you, yeah, one more thing anyhow, dear students, before I go to yes, yeah, dear students, okay, right. So math part anyhow, yeah, yes, I'll take no problem. Fine. So we'll continue, dear students. I mean to say, so before we go to that question, 1 second for you, I'm very delighted to discuss about morning paper distribution also. Already sir might have discussed. Just one look, just 1 minute, dear students. You see, circles, conic section, one question in the morning paper, determinants, det of, properties of determinants, one question, and you can see continuity differentiability, one question, applications of derivative, maxima minima, one question. You can see the similarity even in the evening paper also, dear students. Yeah, okay. Next, you see definite integration, one question, just now you have seen, and applications of integral areas, two questions, differential equation, one question, vector algebra, one question, 3D geometry, one question, probability, two questions. So dear students, altogether I would like to say, dear students, so morning paper and evening paper, they are having certain similarities, dear students. Yeah, coming to the part, dear students, here, so we'll go to that particular question what we have been solving here, right? We are here, right? Let integral f of x, the definite integral is given, dear students. Wherever variable is there as a limit, it is definitely Leibniz formula application. So take its derivative, dear students. I can say here yeah, so what is f dash x, dear students? F dash x is going to be, so substitute this, x power 4 minus 8x square plus 15 by e power x square into x square derivative is 2x, dear student, minus when you put 0 into the other part will become 0. Now you need to find the number of local maxima, local minimum points of f of x respectively are. You see, dear students, you just see where derivative becomes 0, my dear friends. So e power x square, that is fine. This becomes 0 when x is 0. What about its roots? You see 5, 3, that is x square minus 5 into x square minus 3 into x, of course 2 by e power x square. You can further split it as 2 by e power x square into x minus root 3 into x plus root 3, even you can write x minus root 5 into x plus root 5. Here you just require wavy curve method, dear students. You just plot these numbers 0, root 3, root 5, you can say minus root 3, minus root 5. Dear students, extreme positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So derivative negative to positive local minima, positive to negative local maxima, local minima, local maxima, local minima. Right, dear students? Local maxima there are 2 points and local minima there are 3 points. We can say 2 and 3, dear students. Simple, simple. Yeah. So Aditya, कुछ भी डरने की जरूरत नहीं, इजी क्वेश्चन आएंगे, वेरी सिंपल, डोंट वरी। मैथ पेपर में ये ऑब्जर्व करना है कि आउट ऑफ 25 क्वेश्चंस अराउंड 9 to 10 क्वेश्चंस आर इजी टू मॉडरेट, बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड मॉडल्स, एनसीईआरटी to level 1 क्वेश्चंस। इसका नेक्स्ट around 8 to 9 questions are moderate, only 4 or 5 questions are going to be very lengthy and difficult, rest of all within the range, my dear friends. There is a scope to score up to, of course, 100 is also possible, 100 out of 100, but I can say 60 marks is a comfortable score, my dear friends. Yeah, you are correct. Next, dear students, the sum of all values of theta in 0 to 2 pi satisfying two trigonometric equations simultaneously, dear students. Okay, lengthy, thoda sa lengthy, not all questions lengthy, or not all questions, only 4 to 5 questions are going to be lengthy, rest of all within the range, my dear friends. You see, the two trigonometric equations, 2 sin square theta is cos theta, so you write 2 sin square theta, and cos theta, you see, my dear friends, is given cos theta here. Second equation is 2 cos square theta is 3 sin theta. You do one thing, in place of this cos theta, you write 2 sin square theta whole square is equal to 3 sin theta. That means, my dear friends, 8 sin power 4 theta is equal to 3 sin theta. So don't cancel sin theta on both sides. Sin theta is equal to 0, one solution. If you cancel, obviously you are going to get loose marks, right? Then sin cube theta is 3 by 8, my dear friends. That means sin theta is some positive number cube to root of 3 by 8. So, my dear friends, within the range 0 to 2 pi closed interval, if you take sine graph 0 to 2 pi closed interval, yeah, dear students, you just take, so where can sine be 0? Sine can be 0 at 0, pi, 2 pi, right? But these are the solutions of the combined equation. Separately, they have to satisfy both the equations. If theta is 0, this is 0, you see, my dear friends, will theta equal to 0 satisfy these two equations? You just check. The sum of all satisfying both the equations. Put theta is equal to 0. This is 0, but cos 0 is 1, will not satisfy. Of course, pi means sin pi is 0, but cos is not. Please observe that these two equations, our theta must satisfy both the equations separately, dear students. Okay, so if you just observe that if theta is pi, cos pi is minus 1, this is going to be 2, that is going to be 0, it will not satisfy. Even 2 pi also will not satisfy, dear students. These are not the values. Okay, so cos 2 theta was there. Where is it? Cos 2 theta. Where is cos 2 theta? So this is the question we've received. If for this question I am talking about, but if sin theta is equal to some cube to root of 8, definitely it is going to satisfy. You see, this is root of 3 by 8, my dear friends. It's a sin square theta will become, you can say 3 by 8 power 2 will satisfy accordingly. If there are such numbers, my dear friends, if theta is one of the solution for this, pi minus theta is also another solution. So pi minus theta will become pi. So 2 sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta, na? Oh, if that is the question, for this is the question we have received, accordingly that. For this question, we go with the answer pi, but actually, if that is cos 2 theta, answers will change, right? Cos 2 theta, again you need to write 1 minus 2 sin square theta, so that you will get 4 sin square theta is equal to 1, sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. If sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4, cos square theta will be 3 by 4. If you write, you will get 3 by 2 here, sin theta, that satisfies, my dear friends. Sin theta can be plus or minus 1 by 2, and moreover, in that case, you substitute here 2 into cos square theta will become 3 by 4 is equal to 3 into sin theta 1 by 2 only will work. I mean to say minus 1 by 2 will not work. So, my dear friends, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 is the only possibility, my dear friends. Sin theta 1 by 2 means you will get only two solutions. One is pi by 6, pi minus pi by 6, sum will be pi, my dear friends. Okay, even for this question or that question, the answer is pi is the right answer, dear students. Okay, right? Pi is the right answer. Okay. Next, dear student, you see this question, another interesting question. A is set 1, 2, 3, 4, B is set 1, 4, 9, 6. Then the number of many one functions from A to B such that one belongs to the range of F equal to number of many one functions. First of all, how many many one functions are possible from A to B? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 9, 16. Number of many one functions means total number of functions means n of b power n of a, 4 power 4 number of functions are possible, minus 1 functions are 4 factorial. That is going to be 256 minus 24, my dear friends. This is 232. Many one functions are possible, but I want those many one functions in which, such that one belongs to f of a, my dear friends. Okay, so he wants then the number of many one functions such that one belongs to f of a. So you have to count, my dear friends, here 232 here. So one must be there in the range of a. Many one function means one must be used, right, dear students? So how to solve math session in fastest way? Don't worry, fastest way in the sense, so fastest will not work out every time. You need to save time, dear students, and go to the things, right, dear students? Yeah, he is asking here to find the number of many one functions such that one belongs to a, one must be used. So from this, my dear friends, I subtract those many one functions in which one is not used. So now you have to compute how many one functions are there from this to this where one is not used. Many one functions will be here n of b power, I mean to say from this to this, many one functions you have to write is going to be, you can write 3 power 4 many one functions minus 1 functions are not possible. So you have to subtract this 3 power 4, 81, dear students. So you are going to get 151 functions, dear students, right? So once again, dear students, I mean to say here, so total number of many one functions I have calculated 232. From those, I take out those 1 functions in which one is not used, because I want one should be there. So how many 1 functions you can write from A to B such that one is not used? Number of many one functions is 3 power 4 minus number of 1 functions is 0. This part you have to remove, my dear friends. Okay, right? The next, dear students, so right, dear students, PDF of today's evening session, sure will try. Dear students, so I mean to say, so JEE math part, dear students, you can see the questions which are definitely easy to moderate. I can say that hardly 1 or 2 questions are different. So my dear students, with the conclusion that we can take here from physics today's these two papers, 22nd date paper 1 and paper 2, the papers are almost, I can say, rather 2024 January session, they are parallel to 2024 April session papers, where physics and chemistry questions are easy. Most of the questions are easy, moderate, which those two subjects almost you can complete in, we can say number of, you see 1.5 hour you try to complete. Then next, you see, dear students, I mean to say there are few questions, so all of you stay connected, dear students. We are going to discuss, still few more questions are there. You see, Infinity Learn is the only channel which gives the genuine memory based questions, and we also release the solutions of the questions, dear students. I mean to say, here you can find solution to almost all the questions. 190 marks percentile, you can expect around 99 percentile, around 99 percentile, 99.5 around also you can expect. जब दादा सा आते हैं, so बशीर बाबा चल जाने का टाइम है.
परदादा साहब अलर्ट
Yeah.
है ठीक है
Yes, sir.
so all of you all we are ending this session thank you very much
Ending the session.
yeah what you want to do more
Sir, my students are waiting to listen even throughout the night. They want even quick revision of 13-hour
if
session.
they listen to you night
Are-
what they'll study for tomorrow's examination
They have day after tomorrow exam, sir.
Huh?
Day after tomorrow they are having exam.
so for tomorrow they'll prepare for examination sir otherwise in answer your name Bashir BBB they will type and come off in
Yeah.
all the options BBB they will type okay
Okay, okay,
so
sir.
please
Okay.
let them leave alone
But S
so that I
option
can
is
prepare.
not there. Otherwise, your option, Safra sir would
S
have
option
given.
means all options ABCD
Yeah, fine, fine. Okay. So, dear students, all of you, please give thumbs up to add
Bashir
energy.
sir,
No,
to
no, no, no.
Bashir sir.
To Infinity Learn, which is providing with lot of efforts. All the questions are gathered and bringing to your notice, dear students. You see, a team, a big team is working here. Please give a big applause to the team working behind us. Only a few teachers you can see here, but dear students, around we can say more than 20 members are working for you, dear students. Yeah. 60 minutes reactions class they are asking. So when will you take that session, sir?
actually due to this session only it got postponed sir
Okay.
I said to my students
Yeah.
so surely we will do it
So love you, dear students who are connected with Infinity Learn. Really good number, very big response you are giving, dear students. Even tomorrow, those who are having exam tomorrow, have comfortable nap and you please go to the exam with a cool mind and pleasant mind. Don't keep all
and
these
the
things.
most
in mind.
important thing as I said to all of the students is that please carry proper valid ID proofs along with you, preferably the Aadhaar, and carry the admit card printed, color printed, duly signed, okay, with the declaration form. Carry 2 passport size photographs and carry extra documentations or Xerox copies along with you because it is always safer side to you. And be careful that carry transparent water bottles, transparent ballpoint pens, okay, and do not go along with some heavy dressings, chains, bracelets, watches.
Yes, black
all
and
that.
white, black and white. Many students are asking this. Admit card, black and white. Admit card, Xerox copy is fine, but photo on it must be colorful. Color photo.
See,
right?
another
2
simple thing
copies.
is-
2 you have to carry.
Bashir sir, another simple thing is take black and white, take color one extra. What is problem in that? Take extra and go. Take extra copies and all different models. Don't take tension. So thank you all of you all. Thank you very much. Come on, all of you, give thumbs up.
Arey yaar, I'm not
You want to
interested
talk,
to
sir?
leave the. No, not like that. I want to spend the entire night
Then you can
giving.
you can be seated here, sir.
Yeah.
You can have a seat here, or you can sleep here only.
Yeah.
Students will.
So, but dear students,
Sir,
so this time you need to prepare, you need to recall and all. See, Infinity Learn is with you, dear students. Will be supporting all the solutions and by giving the PDFs of the previous year questions. I mean, memory-based questions also. Stay connected with Infinity Learn. Those who are not having exam tomorrow, do attend tomorrow also with good number. Forward the information to your friends also. Will give the best possible memory-based questions. Right, dear students?
Right,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Bashir sir. Okay, all of you all. So I am also not interested to leave, but we have to leave because you have to prepare properly for your examination. Till then, have a nice day. Take care.
Bye, dear students.
Bye, all of you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Best of luck.
RJ.